champs of Examsnet. Welcome to the question series of Examsnet. Today we'll be solving SSC CGL Tier-1, 18 August 2021, Shift 3 paper. You know, this paper is having about 100 questions. There are 4 sections, 25 questions from each section. There is going to be mental ability, GK, English, maths. So 25 questions will be there from each of the sections. Let's start with the paper. A very best of luck. And students, before moving further, I would like to recommend, please practice all these questions and many more entrance exam question papers from our website. That's www.examsnet.com. Also, you can download our app. The link is given in the description box. So best of luck for your exams. Let's start with the paper. This is the very first question. It says the sequence of folding a piece of paper and the manner in which the folded paper has been cut is shown in the following figures. How would this paper look like when unfolded? So this is the paper. Okay. First of all, it's folded like half-wise and then quarter-wise, and then you made some cuttings or some particular figures are made in this paper. And the question is, when you will unfold this paper, how will it look like? A, B, or C, D. So we'll try to make a figure on our own. How will it look like when unfolded? So first thing, this particular shape when unfolded will become like this. And the Z, the inverted Z will be like this. Okay. I'll remake it. Next, on this side, on the upper side here. So you have this Z, it will look like this. And Y like this. Over here, a Y like this and a Z like this. So this is the figure when the paper will be unfolded. It will look like this and it matches exactly with option B. So we got our answer. Option B is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. Then let's move to the next question. C, you have to select the option in this question in which the figure is embedded. You select the option in which the given figure is embedded. Rotation is not allowed. So you have to check. Let's check with this figure whether it is in option A or not. Let's check. See, there is a line. Of course, there's a line like this. Then you have a straight line, a vertical line, then a horizontal line. This till this time we are exactly having the same figure. And then you are having like this, which is again like this. So yes, this figure is embedded in the given figure. Let's check with the second option. This portion is absolutely missing in the second figure. So the second figure is incorrect. Let's look at the third figure. The shape of this portion and the shape of this motion is a mismatch. So even this is not the correct answer. So here it is. This one figure does not exactly go with the given figure, right? So even this is incorrect. So we are left with option A, which is our correct answer. Hope you are clear with this. Next, question number 3, 4 letter clusters have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. You have to select the one which is different. So A, B, C, D, you are having 4 options which you can choose that which one is, out of these you can choose which one is different. See, in this question we'll be using a very important table, that is the alphabetical place value table. See, in this table, you please note down this table and keep it on a side because you will use this table in multiple questions in this paper. So you are having so many questions in which you will be using this. So the better approach is make this table in the starting of your paper and keep it on a side so that you can refer as and when required. Okay, let's make. So it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. 1, 2, let's number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Okay, so now very first option, B, D, Y, F. You have to choose out of A, B, C, D which one is different. So let's write down the very first one, that is B, D, Y, F. The second one is X, Z, D, B, T, V, Q, X, N, P, K, R. Let's write down their numbers. B is at position 2, D is at 4, Y is at 25, and F is at 6. X 24, Z 26, T is at 20, B is at 2, T 20, V 22, Q is at 17, and X is at 24. Okay. N 14, P 16, K 11, R 18. So now to move from here to here, 2 to 4, you have added a 2. 25 to 6, you actually added a 7. Why? 26, 26, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Over here, you added a 2, and from here to here, you added an 8. Why? See, from 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 1, 2. You moved 8 positions. From 20 to 22, you moved 2, and 17 to 24, you moved 7 position. Here you are adding a 2 and a 7 over here. So see, in all the places you are adding 2 and 7, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Here you are adding a 2 and 8. So that means this one is odd, right? X, Z, T, B. This is the odd one out. So this is our answer. Option B is the correct answer to our question. Hope you're clear with this, right? Let's move to the next question, number 4. So you have to select the correct option that indicates arrangement. Okay, this is question number 4. 4 number pairs have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. You have to select the number pair which is different. Any operation on digits is not allowed. So digits operation is not allowed, but we have to check out which one is odd one out, right? So let's check over here. The very first one. This is 326 is to 107. See, in this question, if I take this 107 and I look at this number, this seems to be roughly 3 times of it. Let's take 107 into 3. This gives me 321, but I have 326 over there. So I'll add a 5. This will make 326. Let's check with the second one. 78 into 3. This will give me 234. If I'm adding a 5 to it, I'll get 239, which is correct. Matches. Next, 101. If I multiply with this with 3, I get 303. If I add a 5 to it, I get 308. Okay, this is again correct. Let's move with the last one. 66 into 3 is 198 plus 5. This will give me 203. But here is 197, which is not equal to 197. So this one is odd. Option D is the odd one out and our answer to the question. You have to find out the number pair which is different. Option D is different. Hope you are clear with this. Now let's move to the next question, number 5. Select the correct option that indicates the arrangement of the given words in the order in which they appear in the dictionary. And you know how the words appear in the dictionary. They appear in the alphabetical order. That is first A, then B, then C, then D, and so on. Right. So let's look at all of them. First of all, this G, this is present in all of them. So this is not a deciding factor. Then you have R. Here you have L, E, L, E. All right. So R comes later. So I think probably this R, this is the last one, right? First of all, you have L, E, they come before R. So this option 1, gravity, not option 1, this number 1, gravity, this will come at the last position. Right now you are left with 2, 3, 4, 5. That's glycogen, gestation, glycerine, and gesture. See, E comes first, then L. So L will come later. I will consider the two E ones first. Out of these, this E and E cancels. They have S and S, you have T and T, and now you have A. Right? A is the first one in the alphabetical list. So that means you have gestation, that is option 3 as the first word that will come in the dictionary. Then, of course, it will be followed by gesture, which is option 5. Right? Now, seeing the L ones. L and L will cancel the glycogen, his glycogen and glycerin. Right? I'll write down the words over here. Glycogen and glycerin. See, Gly, they cancel. C cancels. You have E first, right? So that means glycerin will come over here. Glycerin and then glycogen and then gravity. So glycerin is at number 4, glycogen is at number 2, and gravity is at number 1. So the correct sequence is 3, 5, 4, 2, 1, which is option A. Hope you are clear with this. Then let's move to the next question. Question number 6, select the letter from the given options that can replace the question mark. So here's the question mark, and you have to find out what will come at the place of the question mark. The given set of letters are there. You have to find out what will come at the place of question mark. Is it Y or A or U or J? Let's write down all the alphabets. So here is H, Q, I, T, K, question mark, and then an N. Let's write down the place value of all these alphabets. H is at 8, Q is at 17, I is at 9, T 20, K 11, question mark I don't know, N is at 14. See, so now if I'm looking at this one, see, from here, if I'm saying this 8 to 9, I'm adding a 1. From 9 to 11, I'm adding a 2, right? So from this 11 to 14, I'm adding a 3. From here, if I look, this is plus 3, right? So what will come at this place if I'm moving from here to here? See, this is plus 3. So here will be what? If I'm saying this is plus 1, plus 2. The logic of this, I'm having a plus 3 over here. So now plus 2 plus 5 will be a plus, sorry, plus 2 plus 3 will give me a plus of 5. So 20 plus 5 will give me 25. And which alphabet is at number 25? It's Y. See, I'm repeating everything once again. From 8 to 9, you are adding a 1. From 9 to 11, you are adding a 2. The combination of 1 plus 2 gives you 3, which I'm adding from moving from Q to T. Similarly, for 2 and 3, there is a plus of 5 if I'm adding them both. So 20 to 25, you are adding a 5, which is alphabet Y. Okay, so alphabet Y, which is at 25 position, is the answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. So this is the correct answer to our question, option A. Hope you are clear with this. Then let's move to the next question. Question number 7, in a certain code language, virtue is written as this and ominous is written in that language in what manner? So let's write down. First of all, the given word is virtue, V-I-R-T-U-E. This is the given word. Let's write down the place value of all these alphabets. V is at position 22. I is at 9. R is at 18. T is at 20. U is at it's at 21, and E is at 5. Okay. So this is coded as D B Z B N X. So let's write down the place value of these alphabets as well. D is at 4, B is at 2, Z is at 26, B is at 2, N is at 14, and X is at 24. Okay. So from now, from moving to 22 to 4, I have to add a 8. From moving from 9 to 2, I have to subtract a 7. 18 to 26, I have to add 8 from moving to 20 to 2. I again have to add an 8, right? 21 to 14, subtract 7. 15 to 24, I'll subtract 7 again. Okay, so what is the logic over here? See, if there is a consonant, then I'm adding a 4, sorry, 8. And if there is a vowel, I'm subtracting a 7. See, I is a vowel, U is a vowel, and E is a vowel. So I'm subtracting 7 when I encounter a vowel, and I'm adding an 8 if I'm encountering a consonant. Okay, so I got the logic. Let's convert ominous now. So here is ominous. This is the word Ominous. Okay, let's write down the place values of these alphabets. O is at 15, M is at 13, I is at 9, N is at 14, O is at 15, U is at 21, and S is at 19. Right. So first of all, O is a vowel. I'll subtract 7 from this. And over here, M is a consonant. I'll add an 8, subtract 7. Over N is a consonant. I'll add 8, subtract 7, and add an 8 over here. Okay. After subtracting 7 from here, I get 8. 8 position is occupied by H. 13 plus 8 gives you 21. 21 position is had by U. 9 minus 7 gives you 2. Okay, first of all, let's write down this. 22, this is 8, and this is equal to 14, 11. Right. Second position is held by B. 22 is V alphabet, 8 is H, and this is N, and this alphabet 19 plus 8, it gives you 19 plus 8 is 27, right? So 27, after 26 you have first alphabet as A. Okay, so the code becomes HUB. Okay, I didn't write over here. Here was VHNA. So VHNA is option B. So this is the correct answer to your question. Hope you're clear with this. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 8. So this question, there are 3 different positions of the same dice which are shown, the faces of which are marked as A, B, C, D, E, F. Select the letter that will be on the face opposite to the face having the letter D. So here is the letter D. Okay, you don't have actually the letter D imprinted on all these 3 cubes. You can't find D anywhere over here, but you have to find out which letter will come at the place opposite to the face D. See the logic in this question. Please note down the logic. If 2 dice have the same face value, have the same face value in the given image, then their clockwise or anti-clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation of the face is formed the opposite pair in the dice. Okay, so now see, while moving in a clockwise direction from face B of dice 1 and dice 3. So look at the face B of dice 1 and dice B while moving in the clockwise direction. See, if I'm moving like this, this is the rotation B to C. This is the rotation from C to A and A to B. Similarly, B to E, E to F, and F to B. Right. So for both the sides, let's make the table for both the dices, dice 1 and dice 3. Let's see all both of them. So here it is. Let's make this. Now, see, according to this, B was shifted to C and C was shifted to A. Similarly, B was shifted to E and E was shifted to S in the clockwise direction rotation. Right. So that means C and E are opposite, A and F are opposite. Here is B and B. The only pair left are B and D. So only pair B and D are left, which implies that they are opposite, which implies that they are opposite, right? So that means B and D, they are the opposite faces in the given dice. So let's check with the options, which is the correct one. Option A is the correct answer to our question. Hope you're clear with this. Then let's move to the next question. Question number 9. Select the option in which the words share the same relationship as shared by the given pair of words. And the given pair of words are Jharkhand and Ranchi. Options are Sikkim, Itanagar, Mizoram, Kohima, Assam, Jorhat, Meghalaya, Shillong. See, if I'm seeing the option Jharkhand and Ranchi, then Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Similarly, if I'm looking at the Sikkim Itanagar, no, Itanagar is not the capital of Sikkim. Sikkim's capital is Gangtok. Mizoram capital is Ezawal. Okay, then Assam's capital is Dispur and Meghalaya's capital is Shillong. So that means all these option A, B, and C, they are incorrect because Sikkim's capital is Gangtok, Mizoram's capital is Izawal, Assam's capital is Dispur. They are wrong. A, B, C are wrong. Option D, Meghalaya's capital is Shillong is correct. So we got our answer. Sikkim, Jharkhand and Ranchi. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Similarly, Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Option D is the correct answer to our question. Hope you're clear with this. Then let's move to the next question number 10. In this question, you have to find out the number of triangles. Number of triangles in the given figure, you have to find it out. See, it will be very tough if I'll just mark all the triangles in the given image only. Everything will be jumbled. What I'll do, I'll number all of name all of these points. What is this? Right, let's start. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Here is okay, these points are left, N, and this is O. So okay, fine, these points are also left, P and Q. Right. So we have numbered all the points, all the vertices. Now let's start. This is Q actually. Wait. Yeah. So now I'll write down the name of the triangles and then we will count them. So first triangle is triangle E F G, triangle E T C, triangle E N O, triangle E P Q, triangle F J N, triangle F M P, triangle F I T, triangle G L Q, triangle G O K, triangle G C H, triangle K O H, triangle H O C, triangle C Q, D, triangle A, P, D, triangle J, O, H, triangle J, K, H, triangle J, I, H, triangle H, O, G. Right. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So here you have 18 triangles in the given figure. And option D is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. Then let's move to the next question. Question number 11, select the option in which the numbers are related in the same way as the numbers in the following set. So this is the set 4, 10, 53. You have to find out A, B, C, D, which set uses the same logic which is used in the given set. Okay, so the logic, let's understand the logic of set 4, 10, 53. The logic is first number multiply by 3 minus 2 gives you the second number, and second number multiply by 5 plus 3 gives you third number. Okay. Now let's check all the options. Start with option A. So here is 18, 20 and 103. 18, sorry, it's 8, 20 and 103. So first number is 8, which multiplied by 3 minus 2. This is equal to 24 minus 2 is equal to 26, which is not equal to the second one, that is 20. Okay. Also, let's go with the next one. 20 multiplied by 5 plus 3. This is equal to 100 plus 3, which is equal to 103. This is correct. So this option is incorrect, whereas this is correct. Let's try with option B now, which is 11, 31, 152. So first number, that is 11 multiplied by 3 minus 2. This is 33 minus 2, which is equal to 31. So this is correct. 31 multiplied by 5 plus 3. This gives you 155 plus 3, which is equal to 158. This is incorrect because over here we are having 152. So this is incorrect. Let's try with option C, which is 5, 13 and 62. So here is 5, 13 and 62. Let's check. So first number is 5. This is multiplied by 3 minus 2, which is 15 minus 2. That is equal to 13, which is correct. 13 multiplied by 5 plus 3, which is equal to 65 plus 3. That is 68, which is not equal to 62. So this is incorrect. So you have seen either A, B, C, on all the three options are incorrect because either the second or the third number does not match. Now let's go with the last one. That's 7, 19 and 98. So option D, 7, 19 and 98. The first number is 7 multiplied by 3 minus 2. This is equal to 21 minus 2, which is equal to 19. This is correct. 19 multiplied by 5 plus 3. This is equal to 95 plus 3, that is equal to 98, which is also correct. So in option D is the only one which follows the same logic as the given set, this one. So our answer to the question is option D. Hope you are clear with this, right? Then let's move to the next question. Question number 12, select the number from among the given options that can replace the question mark in the series. So here's the question mark. You have to tell whether A, B, C, D, which will satisfy this question mark. Okay, so let's start. Let's write down all the numbers first. So here is 6, here is 6, 8, 24, 28, 140, and then a question mark. See, if you have to move from 6 to 6, Obviously, a multiplication with 1 is the only option. From 6 to 8, you are adding a 2. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 8 is equal to 28. 28 multiplied by 5 gives you 140. So what will come next? See, here's a pattern. Multiplication, addition, multiplication, addition, multiplication. Here will be addition. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here will be 6. So what the number will come over here? It is 146, which is option B. So option B is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this, right? Next, question number 13. Select the Venn diagram that best illustrates a relationship among the following classes. It's Neptune, planet, and moon. See, if I'm looking at all these ones, which one do you think is the correct answer to the question? See, Neptune, it's a planet. Moon, it's a natural satellite. Moon is the natural satellite. So they don't have any connection. If I'm seeing Neptune, planet, and moon, see over here, this is the planet, this is the set planet. This is Neptune. And here is moon. Moon is entirely different thing. It's not a planet, right? So this will be the exact matching. Option D is the correct Venn diagram to represent the situation. Hope you are clear with this. Now let's move to the next question, number 14. Select the option that is related to the third number in the same way the first number is related to the second number and the sixth number is related to the fifth number. Okay? You have to get the logic in this question. If you get the logic, everything will be solved. And what the logic is, I'm seeing these two pairs, the first and the last pair. The logic that is framed is first number plus 4 divided by 5 whole multiplied by 2 gives you second number. Let's check. 16 and 8. The first number is 16 plus 4 divided by 5 whole multiplied by 2 is equal to 20 divided by 5 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2 gives you 8, which is correct. Let's move with the second one. Actually, the third one. 11 plus 4 whole divided by 5, the result multiplied by 2. This is 15 divided by 5 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 gives you 6, which is again correct. Let's fill in the same logic in the second option, which is 21 is to question mark. So 21 is to question mark gives you 21 plus 4 divided by 5 multiplied by 2. It's 25 divided by 5 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. So what will come at the place of question mark? It is 10. Option B is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. Let's move to the next question. Question number 15, you have to study the pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark. You have to find out what will come at the place of question mark. Okay. So see, here in like when you will study, you will find there is a pattern row wise. What is that pattern? It is first number square plus third number gives you second number. Okay, so let's check this one for the row 1. What is first number? It's 3. 3 square plus 13, that is 9 plus 13 is equal to, sorry, it was third number. So 9 square plus 4. 3 square is equal to 9. 9 plus 4 gives you 13, which is your second number, right? For the row 2, Row 2, first number is 6, so 6 square, and third number is 31. So this is 36 plus 31, which is equal to 67. So this logic fits in the first two rows. Now you have to check out for the third row to see which one, the third row, like what will come at the place of question mark. Okay, row 3. First number 5, 5 square plus third number which is 20. This is 25 plus 20 which is equal to 45. So what will come at the place of question mark? It is 45. Option B is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear with this. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 16, read the statements and conclusions carefully, assuming that the information in the statements is true, even if it appears to be at variance with the commonly known facts. You have to decide the given conclusions logically follows from the given statements. So you have to tell which conclusion is correct according to these statements which are given. So let's read the statements. Some mats are carpets. Let's draw a Venn diagram to depict the problem. So here's the Venn diagram. So very first thing which is given in the Venn diagram is some mats are carpets. Let's draw some mats. Here are mats. Some mats are carpets. Correct. Second, some carpets are blankets. Now, here are the blankets which shows some carpets are blankets. No blanket is a quilt. So here is a quilt and there is no relation between blanket and the quilt. They are separate entities. Okay. Now, the conclusions. No quilt is a carpet. Is it true? No quilt is a carpet. This is false. No quilt is a carpet. It is possible but not definite because some quilts can be carpet as there is no direct relation given between them. Second, no blanket is a mat. This is again false. It is possible, but again, it's not definite. Why? Because some blankets can be mat as there is no, some blankets can be mats as there is no direct relationship given between them. Third is some carpets are mats. This is true. Yes, some carpets are mats. This is already given and this is true. Okay, so that means one is incorrect, second is incorrect, only third one is correct, which is option B. So only conclusion 3 follows, that is option B is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear with this. Then let's move to the next question. Question number 17, select the option that is related to the third word in the same way. The second word is related to the first word. And the words are circle and arc. And see, there is a specific relationship between circle and arc, and you have to find out in the same way the plant is related to which word. Is it plasma or tree or chlorophyll or stem? If you look at the first pair, that's circle and arc. What is an arc? An arc is a part of the circle. An arc is a part of the circle. Plasma, it's a colorless fluid that is present in blood or lymph or milk. Tree is a separate entity. A plant outgrows to become a tree. So tree is not a part of the plant, but an outgrown plant becomes a tree. Chlorophyll is a substance which is present in leaves, which gives green color to the plant. Also responsible for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which the plants prepare their own food. So, stem, yes, stem is a part of the plant. It's a part of the plant. So, I think the correct option is D. Circle is related to arc. That means arc is a part of the circle. Same way, stem is a part of the plant. Option D is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear. Let's move to the next question. Question number 18, select the mirror image of the given figure when the mirror is placed at AB position. So this is the image, you have to find out the mirror image of it. While finding out the mirror image, please note down one thing, that whenever you are having an object, the mirror image will be laterally inverted. What do you mean by that? Laterally inverted means the left of the object appears to be on the right of the image. A left of the object appears to be on the right of the image, and right of the object appears to be on the left of the image. Okay. So now, if you are saying this one is on the extreme left, this shaded part, of course, this one will be over here, and it will be and shaded. Okay. So the only option which is having this part at this particular position, it's not this one because it's downside. Yes, this is the one, because this shaded part, if it's laterally inverted, it would come at this position, and even this is incorrect one. So you don't need to see in the question, in the paper, you don't have that much of time. So take out the small things. If a small thing can solve your answer, don't go for the whole, finding out the whole image of the object. Just if the single part of the object can work for you, that will be enough. So looking at this, option C is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. Let's move to the next question. Question number 19. Select the correct combination of mathematical signs that can sequentially replace the asterisk sign and balance the equation. So this is the given equation. You have to see like which of these operators should be filled in the asterisk sign to find a balanced equation. Okay. So let's write down the given expression. It's 483 asterisk 23 asterisk 93 asterisk 16 4 and 50. Right. Let's fill in the first one, option A. So this becomes 483 divided by 23 plus 93 minus 16 is equal to 4 multiplied by 50. Okay. So now if you look at this one, this whole expression becomes, see, according to the BODMAS, first of all, you'll be using BODMAS over here. According to BODMAS, first of all, we'll be dividing this two terms. So 483 divided by 23 gives you 21. Plus 93 minus 16, this should be equal to 200. Now, according to BODMAS, I'll be adding these two first. You will get 114 minus 16. This should be equal to 200. This is 98. And of course, this is not equal to 200. So option A is incorrect. Right? Let's move to the second option now. So this expression becomes 483 divided by 23 plus 93 minus 16 multiplied by 4 is equal to 50. Let's check. Again, according to BODMAS, we'll be dividing them first. You'll have 21 plus 93 minus 16 multiplied by 4 should be equal to 50. So 16 next is a multiplication thing. 21 plus 93, 16 multiplied by 4 gives you 64. This should be equal to 50. Add both of them, you will have 114 minus 64. This should be equal to 50. And here is 50. That means, yes, I got my answer. Option B is correct. But still, we will confirm with the rest options also. You can leave it in the exam till here, but I'll explain you C and D parts also. So let's fill in the third one, option C. So this expression becomes 483 plus 23 divided by 93 minus 16 multiplied by 4 should be equal to 50. Right? So let's solve the LHS now. First of all, you'll be dividing 23 with 93. What you will get? 483. You will be dividing them. This will be plus 0.25 minus 16 multiplied by 4 should be equal to 50. Now multiply them. 483 plus 0.25 minus 48. Sorry, not 64, not 48. Should be equal to 50. Now you will add this. 483.25 minus 64 should be equal to 50. This gives you 419.25. Of course, this is not equal to 50. Right? So this is the incorrect option. Let's check with D, the last one. So here is option D. After filling in this will be 483 divided by 23 minus 93 plus 16 multiplied by 4 should be equal to 50, right? So according to BODMAS, first of all, if you will divide them, you will get 21 minus 93 plus 16 multiplied by 4 should be equal to 50. Multiply them, 21 minus 93 plus 64 should be equal to 50. Now 21 plus 64 gives you 85 minus 93 should be equal to 50. Minus 8, of course, it's not equal to 50. So even this is the incorrect option. So which is the correct option? We already solved this. Option B is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. Then let's move to the next question. Question number 20. The present age of Ram is 7 years more than the present age of his wife Sangeeta. 6 years hence, the age of Ramesh will be 3 times the age of his son Mayank. If the present age of Mayank is 10 years, then what is the present age of Sangeeta? You are given two scenarios in this question, right? First of all, in this question, let's assume Ramesh age to be R. Let's say Ramesh age is equal to R. Sangeeta's age is equal to S. And Mayank's age, we already know it's 10 years. So I'll just write down Mayank age is equal to 10 years. Now there are two scenarios in the question. The present age of Ramesh is 7 years more than Sangeeta. So according to question, you have two equations. First equation, the present age of Ramesh is 7 years more than Sangeeta. So it is 7 plus S. Second thing, 6 years hence, that means after 6 years, the age of Ramesh. What will be the age of Ramesh after 6 years? It will be R plus 6. This will be three times that of his son Mayank. So see, after 3 years, Mayank's age will be M plus 6, right? So according to question, R plus 6 is equal to 3 into M plus 6. Solving this, R plus 6 is equal to 3M plus 18. This is Mayank's age, right? Mayank's age was 10 years. I'll fill this 10 years. R plus 6 is equal to 3 into 10 plus 18 minus 6. That means 30 plus 12, which is equal to 42 years. That means the Ramesh age is equal to 42 years. Also, you are given, according to the first question, R is equal to 7 plus S. So, from 1, R is equal to 7 plus S. 42 is equal to 7 plus S. So what does this become? S is equal to 35 years. So that means the present age of Sangeeta is 35 years. Option B is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear with this. Then let's move to the next question. Question number 21. Select the letter cluster from among the given options that can replace the question mark in the series. So here's the question mark. You have to find out whether A, B, C, or D, which one will fill in the place of the question mark. Right? In this question, you will be making the use of the same alphabetical place value table that we discussed before. Students, I already told you, please keep this table handy with you whenever you are doing this paper, because number of places you'll be using this table. I'm drawing this table once again for you. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So this is starting from the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Okay, so now the letter clusters, let's write down them. C, U, H, then you have H, Q, K. From this, you move to H, Q, K, H, Q, and K. From there, you move to M, M, N. From there, you move to R, I, Q. From there, you have to find out where will you move, right? Let's write down the place value for all these alphabets. C is at 3, U is at 21, and H is at 8. H is at 8, Q is at 17, K is at 11, M is at 13, 13, 14, R is at 18, I is at 9, and Q is at 17. Okay. So now see, from 3 to 8, you have to move, you will add 5 to it. From 21 to 17, you'll subtract 4. Here you will add 3. Let's see again, plus 4, 5 minus 4 plus 3. Again, plus 5 minus 4 plus 3. So that means you are having the same logic. That logic is plus 5 minus 4 and plus 3. So let's do plus 5 minus 4 and plus 3. So here is 18 plus 5 gives you 23. 9 minus 4 gives you 5. 17 plus 3 gives you 20. The alphabet at the number point 23 is W, 5 is occupied by E, and 20 is occupied by T. So which is the next letter cluster? That is W, E, T, which is option C. So this option C is your correct answer. Hope you are clear with this. Then let's move to the next question, number 3, 22. In a certain language, refusal is coded as this and poetry is coded as this. How will the prophet be coded in the same language? See, again, you'll be making the use of the alphabetical place value table that we just discussed. Right? Let's write down. So, very first is refusal. What logic or pattern is being followed in this question? Let's see. Very first thing, please note this. You have to firstly arrange all the letters according to alphabetical series. Okay. Second thing, if the alphabetical place value is in the unit digit, then you simply multiply it with 2, right? If it's in the like it's having 2 digits, then you will add both of them. Okay, add both digits. Correct. So let's see the first one, refusal. First of all, you write that write refusal according to the alphabetical series. So here will be A, E, F, L, R, S, U. A is at 1, E is at 5, F is at 6, L is at 12, R is at 18, S is at 19, and U is at 21. All right. The single digit, single digit, single digit. Okay. What will you do? You'll multiply them with 2. Right? You will have 2, 10, and 12. Which alphabet is at position 2? It's B. Sorry, no, okay, fine. We don't need to go with the alphabets. We just have the code for it. Okay, so don't go for the alphabets. So here is 2, 10, 12. Here will be 1 plus 2, which is 3. 1 plus 8, which is 9. 1 plus 9, which is 10. 2 plus 1, which is 3. Right. So what does the code becomes? Code is 21012391103. Right. Now let's check if the same logic is applicable for the poetry word as well. Okay. So first of all, arrange the poetry according to the alphabetical series. This is the second word, that's poetry. So it's E O P R T Y. E is at 5, O is at 15, P is 16, 18, 20, and 25. You will multiply it with 2. Okay, so you will have a 10 over here. 1 plus 5 gives you 6. 1 plus 6 gives you 7. 1 plus 8 gives you 9. 2 plus 0 gives you 2, and 2 plus 5 gives you 7. So what is the code now? It is 1067927. Okay. Okay, this 7 is extra. So 1067927. This is the code. Now you have to find out the code for the word profit. Let's go. First of all, arrange profit in the alphabetical series. So here is the third thing that you have to do in the question, profit. So first will be alphabet F, then will be I, then O, P, R, T. F is 6th position, I is at 9, O is at 15, P is at 16, 18, and 20. Right. So you will multiply it with 2. You will multiply this with 2. You will add 1 and 5. You will add 1 and 6. You will add 1 and 8 and 2 and 0. So here you will have 12. This will be 18. This will be 6, 7, 9, and 2. So the code becomes 12, 1, 2, 1, 8, 6, 7, 9, 2. Let's check with the options. So it's 1, 2, 1, 8, 6, 7, 9, 2. Option A is the correct answer to our question. Hope you're clear with this. Let's move to the next question then. Question number 23. 4 words have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the word which is different. Words are zeal, vision, fury, or devotion. Let's see the meaning of all the words. Zeal means great energy or enthusiasm. Great energy or enthusiasm in pursuit of some objective. Vision, it means ability to think over a plan, to think over a future, you can say, with imagination. Then the word is fury, which means extreme strength or violence. Action, in an action. Devotion means love, loyalty, or enthusiasm for a person or an activity. See, if you look at all these words, all the words like devotion, fury, zeal, they're expressing strong emotions. Vision is not an emotion. Vision is not an emotion. It is the ability or to think about the future with the imagination. So option B is odd one out because it's about vision. When you have ability to think about your future or the future plans, imagining about it. Whereas zeal, fury, and devotion, they are very strong emotions. They deal with the emotions. So option B is the odd one out and is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. Then let's move to the next question, number 24. So in this question, you have to select the figure among the given options which can replace the question mark. You have to tell what will come at the place of the question mark looking at this. You need to find out the logic over here, and let's say, see, look at the symbols with this one, the extreme two symbols over here. So let's say we are starting our series with the triangle. This is the starting point and this is the ending one. Okay, this rhombus is the ending one and this triangle is the starting one. Then each step, the symbol at the end moves in front of the series. See this next step, this rhombus moves in the front of the series, right? And then this this arrow moves in front of the series over here. Then this circle moves in front of the series. Then, of course, this triangle will move in the front of the series. Looking at the same pattern, right? Which is the now this one over here, this sign, this particular sign will move in the front of the series and it will come at this place, right? So whole thing will remain same. What will happen? This symbol will move over here in the final image and it will vanish from here. So looking at this one, it matches exactly with option B. It doesn't match with A, right? It doesn't match with A. This symbol is different over here and not with C, not with D. It matches with nothing except option B. It only matches with option B, and this is our correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear with this. Let's move to the next question, number 25. Rani is sister of Piyush and daughter of Kamal. Kamal is son of Gaurav and the brother of Aryan. Aryan is father of Rajneesh. How is Aryan related to Piyush? See, whenever you're having these questions, if you verbally try to solve this question, you won't be able, you probably will land up doing some mistakes. Always make the use of the relationship table in such cases. What is that table? Let's make. So here is your symbol and here is the relation for that symbol. So first of all, a circle represents female. Male is represented by a square or a rectangle. Double line represents married couple. Horizontal line represents siblings and vertical line represents generation gap. Okay. So now let's pick up the very first thing. Rani is sister of Piyush. That means Rani is a female on the very first thing. Sister of Piyush and daughter of Kamal. Let's frame this one. Rani, here is Rani. Sister, so that means Rani is a female. I'll put it like this. She's sister of Piyush. So here is Piyush and here is Kamal. I don't know Piyush and Kamal are male or female. Here is Kamal and Rani. They are father, they are maybe, well, I mean, they are parent and daughter. So I'll put Kamal here and Piyush on the vertical line. Second thing, Kamal is son of Gaurav and brother of Aryan. So let's make this one. I'll apply this thing in this question only. Okay, I'll cut it over here. So I'll try to make everything over here again. See, now it says Kamal is son of Gaurav. So Kamal is son of Gaurav. That means Kamal is a male. First of all, here is Gaurav. I don't know Gaurav is a male or female. I'll keep Gaurav as such. And brother of Aryan. So here is Aryan. Okay. Aryan, I again don't know whether Aryan is a male or female. The third thing it says in the question, Aryan is father of Rajneesh. So Aryan is father of Rajneesh. That means I'll keep over here Rajneesh. Aryan is father of, okay, I'll remake it. So here is Kamal, right? And here is Gaurav. Then is Aryan on this side. Aryan is father, so that means I'll put Aryan in a rectangular box. Then here was Rani, female, right? Rani, Piyush will come over here. And I'll put who is Rajneesh is, it is said in the question, Rajneesh is father of Aryan. Sorry, Aryan is father of Rajneesh. So it will come over here. Rajneesh will come over here. This is the final table of the relationships according to our this symbol table. Okay. Now what is the question? How is Aryan related to Piyush? Aryan and Piyush. Here is Aryan and here is Piyush. Then of course Aryan is paternal uncle of Piyush. Aryan is paternal uncle of Piyush. Let's check with the options which is the correct one. So paternal uncle option D is the correct answer to the question. See, always make such relationship tables whenever you're solving these questions because this will make your understanding of the problem pretty clear. Okay. Hope you're clear with this. So, students, before moving further, here's a quick reminder. Do visit our website www.examsnet.com to practice all these and many more entrance exam question papers. Also, you can download our app. The link is given in the description box. So let's move to the next question. Question number 26. In which of the following years was the Indian Independence Act passed by the British Parliament? Is it 1945, 1947, 1942, or 1946? Well, the Indian Independence Act was passed in the year by the British Parliament in the year 1947. This act put into action by the Mountbatten Plan for the Independence and the Partition of India. The act created two new independent dominions, India and Pakistan. And Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was appointed as Pakistan's Governor General Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and Lord Mountbatten becomes India's Governor General. Governor General. So the correct answer to this question is option B, that is 1947. Let's move to the next question, number 27. The total membership of the Constituent Assembly was 389, of which dash were the representatives of princely states: 84, 109, 93, or 102. Well, the Constituent Assembly took almost 3 years, which is about 2 years, 11 months, and 17 days to complete the task of drafting the Constitution of India. The total membership of the Constituent Assembly was 389, out of which 292 were representatives of the province. Representatives of provinces. 93 represented princely states, and 4 were from the Chief Commissioner provinces. So our question was the total membership of the Constituent Assembly was 389, out of which dash were the representative of the princely states. The answer is 93, option C. Hope you are clear. Next, question number 28. Who among the following became the co-chair of 17th Asian Indian Summit in November 2020? The Prime Minister of India, the Chief Justice of India, the Speaker of Lok Sabha, or the President of India? Well, the correct answer to the question is option A, Prime Minister of India. The 17th India Asian Summit was co chaired by PM Narendra Modi, along with Vietnamese Prime Minister. The summit focused on the measures to recover from the economic turmoil triggered by the COVID-19 pandemic and ways to further this broad based strategic ties. Recently, on October 28, 2021, PM Narendra Modi co-chaired the 18 Asian Indian Summit with Sultan Haji Hassanallah Bolkiah of Brunei. Well, the correct answer to our question is option A. Next question, number 29. Which of the following states tourism ministry announced the launch of India's first labor movement museum in January 2021? Is it West Bengal, Odisha, Kerala, or Karnataka? Well, the correct answer is Kerala. Kerala Tourism Ministry announced the launch of India's first labor movement museum in January 2021. This museum will portray the growth of the world labor movement and the history of Kerala's labor movement through pictures, documents, and other exhibits. So, option C is the correct answer to the question. Next, question number 30. Which of the following is a coarse grained igneous rock that contains quartz and feldspar? Is it granite, basalt, andesite, or marble? Well, answer is granite. Granite is a coarse grained, light colored, intrusive, igneous rock that contains mainly quartz, mainly quartz, feldspar, and mica minerals. It forms from magma with a high content of silica and alkali metal oxides that slowly cool and solidify underground. So the answer to our question is option A, granite. Question number 31. Dash is the pattern of veins in the blade of a leaf. Is it cytology, anthology, morphology, or venation? Well, the arrangement of veins in a leaf is called venation pattern. This venation pattern is of two types. The first one is reticulate venation and second one is parallel venation. In the reticulate venation, veins are arranged in a web-like pattern. And in the parallel venation, veins are arranged parallelly. All right, so option D, venation, is the correct answer to our question. Next, question number 32. Which of the following acids is used in the purification of gold and silver? Is it formic acid, nitric acid, maleic acid, or acetic acid? Well, nitric acid is used in the purification. Nitric acid is used in the purification of gold and silver, that is HNO3. Nitric acid is a good oxidizing agent. Which can dissolve all impurities of baser metals like silver, copper, etc., leaving behind pure gold. So option B, nitric acid, is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear. Next is question number 33. Which of the following states inaugurated the first bird festival, Kalrav, in January 2021? Tripura, Odisha, Assam, or Bihar? Well, Bihar government organized first ever Kalrav festival at Nagi Nakti Bird Sanctuary. Nagi Nakti Bird Sanctuary. This festival was organized by the state government. State Environment, Forest, Climate Change Department. Climate Change Department to create awareness among people about birds, especially the migratory birds. So the correct answer to the question is option D, Bihar. Hope you're clear with this. Next question number 34. What was the name of women's regiment in the Indian National Army founded by Subhash Chandra Bose? Rani Ahilyabati, Rani Ahilyabai Regiment, Rani of Dida Regiment, Rani of Jhansi Regiment, Rani Padmavati Regiment. Well, the correct answer is Rani of Jhansi Regiment was women's regiment of the Indian National Army. It was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose in 1942. It was led by Captain Lakshmi Swaminathan. Lakshmi Swaminathan, or she was also known as Lakshmi Sehgal. So the correct answer to the question is option C, Rani of Jhansi Regiment. Next is question number 35. What was the name of the first artificial satellite launched by India in 1975? Was it Sushruta, Panini, Charaka, or Aryabhatta? Well, Aryabhatta was India's first satellite launched in 1975. Option D. It was named after the famous Indian astronomer and mathematician. It was completely designed and fabricated in India and launched by Soviet Cosmos 3M rocket from Kapustin year. Aryabhatta weighted 794 pounds, which is about 360 kg, and was instrumented to explore conditions of Earth's ionosphere, measure neutrons and gamma rays from the sun, and perform investigations in X-ray astronomy. So, the correct answer to the question is option D, Aryabhatta. Let's move to the next question. Question number 36. In which of the following states is the Koleru Lake located? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, or Andhra Pradesh? Well, Koleru Lake is one of the largest freshwater lake. Largest fresh water lake and is located in Andhra Pradesh. Koleru is located between Krishna and Godavari Delta and covers about 308 kilometers square. The lake serves as a natural food balancing reservoir for these two rivers. It forms the largest shallow freshwater lake in Asia. So, option D is the correct answer to the question. Question number 37. Who was appointed as the middle and long distance coach of Indian athletics team in January 2021? Is it Radha Krishnan Nair, Adili Sumriwala, Nikolai Sanasrev, Amrish Kumar? Well, Belarusian coach Nikolai Sanasrev was appointed as the middle and long distance coach of Indian athletics team in January 2021. He has been associated with Indian athletics since his first engagement in 2005 and has coached a number of other Indian athletics like Prija Sridharan and Kavita Roth. He passed away in March 2021. So the correct answer to our question is option C. Hope you're clear. Next question number 38. In which of the following Indian states will you find Kunchikal Falls? Is it Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, or Karnataka? Well, the Kunchikal Falls is found in the Shimoga district of Karnataka. Option D. It is formed by the river Varahi. It is formed by river Varahi. It is the highest waterfall in India. With a height of 1493 feet. It's the second highest waterfall in Asia. So option D is the correct answer to our question. Next question number 39. S.P. Balasubramaniam was dash, who was conferred with Padma Vibhushan posthumously in January 2021. Singer, scientist, archaeologist, or painter? Well, I hope everybody knows the answer to the question. He was a singer. S.P. Balasubramaniam was a singer who was conferred with this award in January 2021 in the field of art. He made his singing debut in 1966 with the Telugu movie Shri Maryada Ramana. He has sung about like unimaginable 40,000 songs in 16 languages. And the languages were like Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, and Hindi. He was bestowed with the National Award for the Best Male Playback Singer 6 times. Very proud singer. National Award for Best Playback Singer. So option A is the correct answer to our question. Next is question number 40. Who among the following Indian actors was honored with the Best Actor award at the Indo-German Film Week held in Europe in 2020? Shah Rukh Khan, Adil Hussain, Salman Khan, or Sanjay Dutt? Well, Adil Hussain bagged the Best Actors award at Indo-German Film Week in Berlin for his performances in Pariksha and Nivrana. In Adil, who has worked in several critically acclaimed films, received National Film Award at 2017 National Film Awards for Hotel Salvation and Majrati Ketki. Option B, Adil Hussain, is the correct answer to our question. Let's move to the next question. Question number 41. When we cut an onion, vegetable emits an odor. Our eyes tear up. Which of the following compounds is responsible for those tears and odor resulting from freshly cut onions? Is it ascorbic acid, sulfuric acid, citric acid, or acetic acid? Well, if you don't know the answer, you must know this answer because this is related to your daily routine work. Well, when we cut an onion, we break its cells. They release enzymes. Okay? When an onion is cut, onions, when they are cut, they break the cells which release enzymes and amino acids, sulfoxide chemicals from inside the cells. And these react to produce sulfur gas. Sulfur gas. This gas released from the onions reacts with the natural water which is present in our eyes to form sulfuric acid, which brings the sensation of tears and has a strong smell. So, option B, sulfuric acid, is the correct answer to our question. Next, question number 42. Makaravilakku is an annual festival held on Makar Sankranti in which of the following states? Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Karnataka, or Kerala? Well, this is the annual festival which is held on Makar Sankranti in Kerala. It is among the most important festivals of the state and is commemorated at Lord Ayyappa temple at Sabrimala. So option D is our answer to the question. Next, question number 43. According to Malthusian theory, which of the following grows in geometric progression? Food supply, population, employment, or poverty? Well, according to Thomas Malthus, population grows in geometric progression, that is GP. This theory of population is it says the exponential population growth and the arithmetic food supply growth. According to this theory, population will grow more quickly than the food supply, which will result in a food shortage. So, option B is our answer. Question number 44. Who among the following was the first finance minister of independent India? Is it R.K. Shanmukham Shetty, C.D. Deshmukh, Liaquat Ali Khan, or K.C. Nyoji? Well, the answer to this question is option A. R.K. Shanmukham Shetty was the first Minister of Finance of independent India. He presented the first budget of independent India on November 26, 1947. He also served as President of India's Central Legislative Assembly from 1933 to 1935 and Diwan of Cochin Kingdom from 1935 to 1941. So option A is the correct answer to our question. Question number 45 is the next question. On which of the following days is the National Disaster Response Force Raising Day celebrated annually? October 23, January 19, September 21, or March 6? The National Disaster Response Force, that is NDRF, Day is celebrated on January 19 every year to mark its formation. The National Disaster Response Force was founded on January 19, 2006. The Specialized Task Force has been constituted for special response to a threatening disaster situation or a disaster. This National Disaster Management Authority is a parent body of NDRF. So, option B is the correct answer to our question. Question number 46. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India defines for a separate secretarial staff for each house of the parliament? Is it Article 34, Article 98, Article 155, or Article 123? Well, let's see all the articles one by one. First of all, the answer to our question is Article 98. This article of Constitution of India defines a separate secretarial staff for each house of parliament. Article 34 provides for restrictions on fundamental rights, while martial law is in force in any area within the territory of India. Article 155, it is related to the appointment of governor of a state. Appointment of governor of a state. Article 123 of Indian Constitution grants President certain lawmaking powers. When either of the two houses of the parliament are not in session. So our answer to the question is option B. Next question number 47. Which of the following states launched the scheme Sujal Drink from Tap mission that aims to provide quality drinking water directly from tap to all households in urban areas? Odisha, West Bengal, UP, or Bihar? Well, Odisha is the correct answer. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, CM Naveen Patnaik, inaugurated Sujal Drink from Tap mission scheme for providing 24-hour supply of quality drinking water in all urban areas of the state. The aim of the mission is to provide quality drinking water to more than 1.5 million people in urban areas. Next question number. So the correct answer to our question is option A. All right. Next is question number 48. who has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of RBL Bank in January 2021 for 3 years? Deepak Ruya, Rajiv Arora, Rajiv Ahuja, Vishwavir Ahuja. Which is the correct answer? Well, it is option D. Vishwavir Ahuja has been reappointed as the MD, that is a managing director, and CEO, that is chief executive officer of the private sector leader RBL Bank. He has been appointed for a period of 3 years from June 30, 2021 to June 29, 2024. He's serving as the MD and CEO of Mumbai-based RBL Bank since June 30, 2010. Prior to this, he was the MD and CEO of Bank of America, India from 2001 to 2009. So our answer is option D to the question. Hope you are clear with this. Next is question number 49. Who among the following established the Rashtrakuta kingdom? Is it Danti Durga, Krishna I, Ashoka, or Amogha Varsha? Well, Danti Durga is the correct answer to our question. Danti Durga is considered as the founder of Rashtrakuta Empire. His capital was situated at Gulbarga area of Karnataka. He defeated the Chalukyas in 753 AD and took titles of Raja Dhiraja and Parmeshwara. Option A is the correct answer to our question. Next, question number 50. In which of the following countries was the headquarters of International Olympic Committee located as of February 2021? China, USA, Japan, or Switzerland? Well, the International Olympic Committee is a non-governmental sports organization based in Switzerland. It is founded by Pierre de Coubertin and Demetrios Vekilas in 1894. It is the authority which is responsible for organizing the modern summer and winter Olympic Games. So option D is the answer to our questions. So this was your GK questions, students. This completes your GK questions. Next, we'll be having some mathematical questions. Before moving further, if you want to practice all these questions, then please visit our website www.examsnet.com. There you will find a number of other entrance test exam papers as well. Also, you can download our app. The link is given in the description box. So let's move with the next question. Question number 51. Study the table and answer the question. The data given in the table shows the number of students starting in 4 different disciplines in 5 institutes. Those are arts, science, commerce, and computer science. Institutes A, B, C, D, E. So these are the 5 institutes. These are the 4 disciplines in which all the students are studying. These are the number of students which are given. Okay. So I hope you are clear with the given data. Now the question. Number of students studying commerce in Institute D is what percent of the total number of students in the 5 institutes? So, very first thing, what are the number of students studying in commerce in Institute D? It is 55. Next thing, what percent of the total number of students in the 5 institutes? So, first of all, in arts, how many total students are there? If you add them, you get a total of students in arts as like 36 plus 45 plus 55 plus 45 plus 48. So this will give you a total of 229. Next, science 48 plus 54 plus 36 plus 48 plus 44. This is equal to a total of 230. Then 59 plus 55 plus 56 plus 55 plus 52. This will give you a total of 277. 57 plus 48 plus 51 plus 53 plus 55 is equal to a total of 264. So the total number of students in the 5 institutes, total number of students in 5 institutes is equal to 229 plus 230 plus 277 plus 264, which will give you a total of, if you add all of them, it will be 1000. So now the required percentage. What was the required percentage? Total number of students in commerce in section D, which is 55, upon the total number of students, which is 1000 into 100. This will give you 5.5%, right? So looking at this, which is your correct answer? Option A. This is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear, right? Let's move to the next question, number 52. In a triangle ABC, AB and AC are produced to points D and E respectively if the bisectors of CBD and BCE meet at O such that BOC is 63. You have to find out angle A. Let's make the figure. So I'll make the figure over here. This is a triangle ABC. ABC. AB is produced to point D, AC is produced to point E. If the bisector of CBD, so this is the angle CBD and BCE meet at O. So according to the question, this is point O, such that angle BOC is equal to 63 degrees. Right. So now you are given first thing that these angles are being bisected. That means if I'm assuming this to be angle 1, this is also angle 1. If I'm assuming this to be angle 2, this is also angle 2. So very first thing, let angle CBO is equal to angle 1 and this is also equal to OPT. Also, let angle BCO is equal to angle 2, which is also equal to OCE. Right. So these things are given to you. Also, one thing more, that BOC is 63 degrees. So now consider triangle POC. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 63 degree is equal to 180 degree, right? So here I'm starting with the solution. This is angle sum property of the triangles. From here you have angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 170. Correct? Now consider the line AD. On line AD, on line AE. Angle ABC plus angle CBO plus angle OPD is equal to 180 degree. Why? They are forming a linear pair. Similarly, on this line, angle ACB plus angle BCO plus angle OCE is equal to 180 degree. Reason is same, they are forming a linear pair. Correct. So CBO and OBD, they were angle 1. So from here you have ABC is equal to 180 degree minus twice of angle 1. From here you will have ACB is equal to, see, these were angle 2, right? They were angle 2 and they were angle 1. So ACB becomes 180 degree minus twice of angle 1. Sorry, 2. Okay. Right. So now consider the bigger triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC, The sum of all these three angles is equal to 180 degree. Reason, same angle sum property of the triangle. Right. So angle ABC, it is 180 minus twice of angle 1. ACB, I'll pick from here, 180 degree minus twice angle 2. Angle BAC, you have to find out this is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So from here you have angle BAC plus 360 degree minus twice angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Correct. So solving this, you will get angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 360 plus twice angle 1 plus angle 2. So this is minus 180 degree plus what was angle 1 plus angle 2? We just solved it, right? It was equal to 170. So I'll fill it over here. 117. This will be 180 plus 432, right? So with this will give you 54 degree. So angle BAC is equal to 54 degree. This is the required angle that you have to find out in the question. This angle comes out to be 54 degree. Option C is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. Then let's move to the next question. Question number 53, simplify the expression this. So this is a simple algebraic expression. All you need to do is follow the BODMAS rule, which says the order in which the operations will be performed is brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Let's write down. First of all, we'll be solving these round brackets. So this will be 441 divided by 270. I'll flip it, like if the division signs will be changed into multiplication, you have to reciprocate the number. So it will be 270 multiplied by 70, 7 by 3 plus this will be 7 into 3 minus 17 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So now this will be 441 divided by, this will cut at 90. This is 630 plus 51 minus 6. 630 plus 51. See, you will be solving this square brackets first. So this is 441 divided by 681 minus 6, which is 441 divided by 675. That is 441 upon 675, which is equal to 49 by 75. And this is your answer. Let's check with the options. Option D is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear, right? Then let's move to the next question. Points A and B, question number 54, point A and B are on a circle with center O. Point C is on a major arc. So first of all, let's make the figure. So this is the circle. Okay, in this circle, it's saying you A and B are the points on the circle with center O. So this is A, this is B, this is the center O. Point C is on the major arc, so this is point C. If angle OAC is 35, so this is O. Now, according to question, this angle is equal to 35 degree and angle OBC, this angle is equal to 45 degree. Then what is the measure in degree of the angle subtended by the minor arc at the center? That means you have to find out this angle. If I'm naming this as O, you have to find out angle AOB. Okay, right? So let's start with the question. First of all, you are given these two angles. Here is the solution of the question. First of all, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. They are all the radius of the circle. Now, if OA is equal to OC, then angle OAC is equal to angle OCA, opposite angles to equal sides. Equal sides. They are equal, right? I hope you know this. Similarly, so you can say angle CA, it is equal to, all they are equal to 35, right? Similarly, angle OBC is equal to angle OCB is equal to 45 degree. Correct. Okay. I hope you are clear till here. So now what is angle ACB? This is equal to 35 plus 45. That is, it is 80 degree. Also, one thing more, that angle AOB is equal to twice angle ACB. Reason? Because central angle is twice the angle made by the arc at the circumference. All right. So what is ACB? It was twice of 80. That is equal to 160. So this is your required answer, right? You had to find out angle AOB, which is X we assumed, and that is equal to 160. Option B is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear, right? Let's move to the next question, number 55. The given pie chart shows the degree-wise breakup of the expenditure of a family in a month. Total income of the family is 43200. So let's understand the pie chart first. These are the ways like rent, saving, education, miscellaneous, food. These are the expenditures of the family whose total income is 43200. Now let's look at the question. What is being asked? Expenditure on food is what percent more than expenditure on rent? So that means you have to just find out the expenditure of both, right? Here's a short trick to do the sum. You can do the sum, like you can actually find out the amount which is spent on the this food, and then you can find out the amount which is spent on the rent, and then you can subtract them. Or because in the exam you don't have that much of time, you need to really hurry up. So what we will do, we'll follow a short trick. First of all, this is just for your understanding. Of course, you don't need to write down in so much in detail in your exam. First of all, expenditure on food is how much degree? It's 105 degree, right? Similarly, expenditure on rent is equal to 70 degree. This is the one, right? So it is expenditure on food is what percentage more expenditure on rent. So more expenditure on food. This is equal to how many degrees? 105 minus 75, that is equal to 30 degree more. Correct, right? So what do you have to find out? Percentage you have to find out. Percentage more expenditure is equal to increase in expenditure, that is equal to 30 degree upon the basic expenditure that was on the rent, right? Sorry, it is rent on rent, it is 70 degree, not this. So it has to be 35. Okay. This is 35 degree upon 70 degree into 100. So I'll write it again, clear. 35 upon 70 into 100. They will cut and you will have 50% as your answer. Hope you are clear. Right? So what we did in the question, I'll explain you once again. We found out, we just didn't go for actually, because in the question we had to find out the percentage. So don't go for the actually finding out the amount which is spent on rent and the food. This will take a lot of time because lots of calculations will be involved. What I did was, instead I just found out the difference of the degree between the two, right? You have to find out the percentage. So that was the difference in degree upon the original degree that was on the rent multiplied by 100. This will give you your answer, and the answer came out to be 50%. Option C. Hope you are clear with this. Next, question number 56. Question number 56. 5 men can complete a work in 20 days. 10 women can complete the same work in 15 days. 2 men, 6 women started doing work together. So this is the whole scene. We'll be talking about this scene. First of all, do remember you will surely get this type of question in your exam. One or two questions are for sure that they will come. Okay. So very first thing, 5 men. I'll pick up everything one by one. 5 men can complete a work in 20 days. 5 men can complete a work in 20 days. So that means if one man works alone, how much time will he take? He will take 20, and he will take, of course, more time. So this will be 100 days. Correct? Okay. So now, next, 10 women, same thing. 10 women can complete this work in 15 days. So that means if one woman works, she alone can complete the work in 150 days. Done. Right. So that means this is in 100 days. If one man works, if one man only works, he will take 100 days. If one woman only works, she will take 150 days. So that means if I'm talking about men and women, 1 day work of one man is equal to 1 by 100. Similarly, 1 day work of one woman is equal to 1 by 50 of the work. Correct. Okay. Now, let's go to the question back. It says 2 men and 6 women started working together. So now 2 men and 6 women were working. So here, 2 women, sorry, here is men. Okay. Okay. So it is saying 2 men work of 1 day. This is equal to 2 by 100, right? That is 1 by 50. Similarly, 6 women work of 1 day is equal to 6 upon 150, which is equal to, this has got to be 1 upon 25. Correct. So this is the work of 2 women, 1 day work, and 6 women, 1 day work. Total work, total 1 day work of 2 men and 6 women. This is equal to 1 by 50 plus 1 by 25, which will be equal to 3 by 50. Okay. Now they worked together for how many days? They worked together for, after 5 days now. So they worked together for 5 days. So it will be multiplied by 5, which will give you 3 upon 10. Okay. So that means 2 men and 6 women, they worked for together for 5 days and they completed 3 by 10 of the work. I hope you are clear till here. So if they completed 3 by 10 of the work, how much work is remaining? Remaining work is equal to 1 minus 3 by 10. That is equal to 7 by 10. So this much of the work remains. Now, after that, what happens? It says after that, 3 women left the work and 1 man joined the work. So that means now, how many men are there? There are 3 men and women are 3. Okay, 3 men and 3 women are there. So again, the same thing. One man's work was 1 by 100 in 1 day. 3 men, 1 day work is equal to 3 by 100. Similarly, 3 women, 1 day work is equal to 3 by 150. Total work of total work of 3 men and 3 women in 1 day. That is equal to 3 by 100 plus 3 by 150, which you will solve and get like 150 will be the LCM. No, sorry, it will be 300, not 150. LCM will be 300, so this is equal to 9 plus 6, which is 15 upon 300, or this is equal to 1 by 20. So total work of 3 men and 3 women in one day is equal to 1 by 20 of the work. Right. Now, 1 by 20 of work is completed in one day. Right. How much work was left? First of all, it was 7 by 10 of the work. So how much time will it take to be completed? It will be 1 divided by 1 by 20 multiplied by 7 by 10, which is equal to 20 into 7 by 10. That is equal to 14 days. So the remaining, this was the question. See, what was the question? The group continued working together till the end of the work. In how many days will they be able to complete the remaining work? So now the question was, when 3 women left and 1 man joined, how many days will it take? Then how many days will it take to complete the remaining work? And it will take about 14 days to complete the remaining work. Right. Option B is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. Let's move to the next question then. Question number 57. A TV is sold at 8% gain. Had it be sold for 2553 less, there would have been a loss of 15%. To gain 18%, the selling price of the TV should be equal to what? So these are the given options. Let's start with the question. Here it is. First of all, we'll assume the cost price of the TV to be X. Let the CP of the TV is equal to X. What formula we'll use in this question? Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. So according to this formula, the selling price should be equal to cost price, which we assumed as X, multiplied by 100 plus profit was 8 upon 100, right? So this is equal to 108 upon 100 into X. Now, according to the question, this selling price minus 2553 is equal to the cost, the selling price had it be a loss of 15%. So that means this is equal to X into 100 minus, see, it is a loss, so I'm subtracting 15 from it. Okay, so this is equal to, according to the question, this is equal to X into 100 minus 15 upon 100. So now let's solve this. You will have 108x upon 100 minus 2553 is equal to 85x upon 100. So solving this, you have 108x upon 100 minus 85x upon 100 is equal to 2553, which will be equal to, this is 3 and 2. So upon 100 into x is equal to 2553. So you will have x is equal to 2553 multiplied by 100 divided by 23, which will be equal to rupees 11100. So this is the correct answer to the question. No, sorry, this is not the answer to the question. You got the value of your x, right? Now, what the question was, well, you had to find out to gain 18%, the selling price of the TV should be. So now that becomes very easy. Now, to gain 18%, what should be the selling price? The selling price should be equal to the cost price multiply by 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Cost price we just calculated, it was 11100. Okay, not a more zero, it is only 100 plus 18 upon 100. So this is equal to 11100 into 118 upon 100. they will cancel and you will have 13098 rupees as your required answer. So the question was, to gain 18% to profit, the selling price should be equal to 13098 rupees. Option A is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear with this. Then let's move to the next question, number 58. If a train runs with a speed of 72 kilometers per hour, it reaches its destination by late by 15 minutes. However, if the speed is 90 kilometers per hour, then it's late only by 5 minutes. The correct time to cover the journey is, well, formula we'll use in this question is, of course, time is equal to distance upon speed. Now, according to the question, if it says, first of all, let distance is equal to x, right? So, and I'm assuming the time taken is equal to t. Now consider the first and this is the second scenario. In the first scenario, if the speed is 72 kilometer per hour, now speed 72 kilometer per hour, then the train is late by 15 minutes. That means 15 upon 60 hours, right? So over here, this 72 speed, okay, time taken is equal to distance, which is x upon s1, x upon 72. Now this time it says that if the original time is t, if I'm taking the time taken to complete the journey is t, then it's late by 15 minutes. So that means over here the time is also equal to t plus, it's late, so I will add the time t plus 15 upon 60. That is t plus 1 upon 4. This is the time taken to complete if the speed is 72 kilometers per hour. Now, according to question, x upon 72 is equal to t plus 1 by 4. Similarly, in the second case, if the speed is 90 kilometer per hour, right, then time taken will be equal to x upon 90. Also, it is said that the train will be late by 5 minutes. That means it will take 5 plus, t plus 5 upon 60. It's late by 5 minutes, so time taken will be 5 by 60 hours. Right. So time is t plus 5 by 60. They two are equal. So that means x upon 90 is equal to t plus 5 upon 60. That is equal to 1 upon 12. So from here you have x is equal to 72 t plus 1 by 4. From here you have x is equal to 90 into t plus 1 by 12. From both these equations you get that 72 into t plus 1 by 4 is equal to 90 into t plus 1 by 12. This will cut at 5, 4, like 18 table will be used to cut this off, and you will have 4t plus 1 is equal to 5t plus 5 by 12. 1 minus 5 upon 12 is equal to t, or t is equal to 7 upon 12 hours. See, in the question, you don't have anything by hours the time. You have to convert this into minutes. So let's convert this hours into minutes. 7 by 12 hours is equal to 7 by 12 into 60. That is equal to 35 minutes. So your correct answer to the question is option C, 35 minutes. I hope you are clear, right? Then let's move to the next question. 59. What is the length in centimeter of the smallest altitude of the triangle whose sides are this, this, and this? Correct to 1 decimal place. So you have to find out the length of the smallest altitude of the triangle. Let's start with the question. You are given the three sides as 5, 12, and 13. 5, 12, and 13. These are the three sides of the triangle. So let's say A is equal to 5 centimeter, B is equal to 12 centimeter, and C 13. Let's find out the semi-perimeter. That is A plus B plus C upon 2. That is 5 plus 12 plus 13 upon 2, which will be equal to 15 centimeter. Right? Now, let's go for the area. So you have to find out the altitude, right? I'll explain you. First of all, let me find the area. So area is given by S into S minus A S minus B, S minus C. This will be S is equal to 15. So 15 minus 5, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 13, which will be 15 into 10 into 13, 3 sorry, into 2, which will be root of, this has got to be 6 and 900. So root will be 30 centimeter square. The area of the triangle comes out to be 30 centimeter square. This is according to the Heron's formula. Also, you know, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Correct? Okay. So smallest altitude possible is when you will take the opposite side, that is this. This is the smallest altitude because 13 is the longest side over here. So area of the triangle we already calculated. This is equal to 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Base we will take 13 into height. Height we have to find out. So this is equal to 30 into 2 upon 13. This is equal to your height, which on solving will give you 4.6 centimeters as the answer. So option D is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear with this. Question number 16, a right angle triangle ABC, the length of the side containing the right angle are 5 and 12 centimeter respectively. A circle is inscribed in the triangle ABC. First of all, let's draw the triangle. Here is the triangle A, B and C, right? So in this triangle, this is the right angle and there is a circle which is inscribed in this triangle, right angle triangle. Okay. This is 12, this is 5 according to the question, and you have to find out the radius, this R, you have to find out. So let's write down, you are given AB is equal to 12 and BC is 5 centimeter and there is a circle inscribed in the triangle. Formula used in this question will be in radius of an inscribed circle in right angle triangle is equal to perpendicular plus base minus hypotenuse upon 2. Very easy formula. This will make your problem very, very short. See, you already know the perpendicular, you know the base, you need to find out the hypotenuse. Let's go with the solution to find out, first of all, the hypotenuse. You know, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. That is according to the Pythagoras theorem. So here hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular is 12 square plus 5 square, which is 144 plus 25, which is 169. Hypotenuse is root of 169, which is equal to 13 centimeters. Okay, so you got all the sides. Now it's very easy to find out the in radius. Let's go. So in radius is equal to perpendicular plus base minus hypotenuse upon 2. Perpendicular is 12, base is 5, hypotenuse is 13 upon 2, which will be equal to 4 upon 2, that is equal to 2 centimeters. Okay, so the answer to our question is option A, 2 centimeters. Hope you are clear with this. Next, question number 61. Question number 61. Alloy A contains metal X and Y in the ratio 5:2. B alloy contains these metals in the ratio 3:4. Alloy C is prepared by mixing A and B in the ratio 4:5. Then the percentage of Y in alloy C is. See, there are three alloys actually. A, B and C. In alloy A, X is to Y. Metals ratio is 5:2. In alloy B, alloy A and alloy C. So in B, the ratio is 3:4 and C, there is the ratio of, here is C, And in C, the ratio of A and B alloys is 4 is to 5. Done. Now, these are the things which are given. Let's go with the solution. See, first of all, quantity. Let's write down the quantity of X in alloy A. That's of course, see, this was 5 and 2, so this is of course 5 upon 7. Similarly, quantity of Y in alloy A is 2 by 7. Quantity of X in alloy B in alloy B is 3 by 7. Quantity of Y in alloy B is 4 by 7. Correct. Now, C is made by the combination of alloy A and B in the ratio 4 is to 5. Then, according to question, ratio of X and Y in alloy C is 5 by 7, right? That was the ratio of X in alloy A multiplied by 4 plus 3 by 7, which was the ratio, this was the quantity of metal X in alloy B multiplied by 5 upon 2 by 7 into 4 plus 4 by 7 into 5, which on solving will give you 20 by 7 plus 15 by 7 whole divided by 8 by 7 plus 20 by 7. So this will be 35 by 7 whole divided by 28 by 7, which is equal to 35 by 28, which is equal to 5 by 4. So the ratio of X and Y in alloy C in alloy C is 5 is to 4. What do you have to find out in the question? The percentage of Y in alloy C is. So percentage of Y in alloy C is equal to 4 by 9 into 100. See, this was 4 and 5 plus 4 gives you 9. So this is 4 by 9 into 100, which is equal to 44, 4 by 9%. And this is your required answer. Let's check the options. Option C is the correct answer to our question. Hope you're clear with this, right? Then let's move to the next question. Question number 62. Keshav, Surjit, and Thomas started a business with investments in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. The ratio of their period of investments is 5 is to 6 is to 9. 20% of the profit was spent on rent and maintenance of the office. The remaining profit was distributed among themselves. If the difference in the shares of profit of Keshav and Surjit is rupees 7264, then how much is the total profit in rupees? Let's write down. First of all, you are given ratio of investment of Keshav, Surjit, and Thomas is 2 is to 3 is to 4. Ratio of their period of investment. Ratio of period of investments is 5 is to 6 is to 9. These are the things which are given to us. Also, we are given one more thing. Profit See, it's given that yes, 20% of the profit was spent on this rent and maintenance. So profit spent on rent and maintenance is 20%. Also, difference in the shares of profit of Keshav and Surjit is rupees 7264. So these are all the things which are given to us. What concept or formula we'll use in this question is profit, because we are dealing with the time as well. So profit is equal to investment into time. The more is investment, more is the profit, more is the time, more is the profit. So it is profit is equal to investment into time. Let's move with the solution now. So here it is. First of all, we'll assume the ratio of the period of investments be, let ratio of their period of investments, it was 5 is to 6 is to 9. So this is 5x, 6x, and 9x respectively. Okay. Now, what will be profit of Keshav? 5x into 2, which is 10x, right? Why 2? It was the ratio of investment of Keshav. Also, profit of Surjit is equal to 6x into ratio of investment of Surjit was 3. So it is 6x into 3x, which is equal to 18x. Profit of Thomas is equal to 9x into 4, which is equal to 36x. So I hope you are clear with this, right? The profit of Keshav, Surjit, and Thomas. Now, according to question, what is given in the question? The difference in the profit of Surjit, sorry, in the shares of profit of, here I have forgot to write, Keshav and Surjit. It was 7264. Right? For Keshav, it was 10x, and for Surjit, it's 18x. So, according to question, 18x minus 10x is equal to 7264. That is 8x is equal to 7264, or x is equal to 7264 divided by 8, which will be equal to 908. Right? So now, profit of Keshav, Surjit, if I'm adding them, all of them, and Thomas, what it is? 10x plus 18x plus 36x, which is equal to 64x. Right? What was x? We just calculated it is 908. So this is equal to 64 into 908, which gives you a total of 58112 rupees. So this is the profit of all of them, all the three of them together. But this is 80% of the total profit. 80% of total actual profit, right? So 80% of actual profit is 58112. Actual profit 80 into 80 upon 100 into actual profit is 58112 rupees. So from here you will have actual profit is 58112 into 100 upon 80, which on giving like you do the whole calculations, you will get 72640 rupees as your answer. Right? Let's check with the options. Option A is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear, right? Then let's move to the next question. Question number 63. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then you have to find out the value of the given expression. So you are given this, right? First of all, I'll take out, because see in the question you have B plus C, you have C plus A, you have A plus B. So I'll calculate the value of all of them one by one. First of all, a plus b, this is equal to minus c. Also, b plus c minus a, c plus a minus b. Okay. So now, b plus, let's fill in all these values in the given question. First of all, you have b plus c whole square upon bc plus c plus a square upon ac plus a plus b whole square upon ab, right? So here we do, you'll do what? You'll have minus a, because b plus c was equal to minus a, you will fill this over here, square upon bc plus c plus a was equal to minus b square upon ac, a plus b was equal to minus c whole square upon ab. This gives you a square upon bc plus b square upon ac plus c square upon ab, right? So now taking the LCM, you will have a, B, C. In the numerator, you will have A cube plus B cube plus C cube. You know the formula for A cube plus B cube plus C cube? That's A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to A plus B plus C whole multiplied by A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA plus 3APC. See, in this question, A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So what you have is A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3APC. Okay, see, because this is 0, then this whole term will become 0. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube will become 3ABC. So this is equal to 3ABC upon ABC. They will cancel and you will have 3 as your answer. Hope you are clear with this. So option D is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear. Let's move to the next question, 64. So this question is x minus 1 upon x is equal to root 77. Then one of the values of x cube plus 1 upon x cube is which of these? So let's write down. You are given x minus 1 upon x is equal to root 77. What formula we'll use here? That's x plus 1 upon x square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Right? Because x and 1 upon x will get cancelled out. So let's move with the solution. The given equation was x minus 1 upon x is equal to root 7. Squaring both sides, root 77, sorry. Now squaring both sides. What you will get is x minus 1 upon x square is equal to root 77 square, which is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus, sorry, minus 2 is equal to 77. This will be x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 79. Right. What do you have to find out in the question? You have to find the cube of it. Now, x plus 1 upon x whole square, this is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. And I'll fill this value, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 79 over here. So you will have this as 81. Correct? From here, you will get the value of x plus 1 upon x. This is equal to root of 81 or this is equal to 9. Okay, hope you are clear till here. Now we have found out the value of x plus 1 upon x. We will simply find the cube of it. So now x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to x plus 1 upon x whole cube minus 3 into x into 1 upon x into x plus 1 upon x. This will be x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to, we just solve the value of this. This was 9. So this is 9 cube. They will cancel, minus 3 into 1, and this value was 9 again. So this is equal to 9 raised to power 3, 729, minus 3 nines are 27, which is equal to 702. Right. So what we had to find out, the value of this is 702. Right. But sorry, yeah, it's option B over here. Option B is the correct answer to the question. Hope you're clear with this. Next is question number 65. The average daily production of toys in a factory in the month of December is 512. If the average production during the first 20 days is 515 and that of the last 13 days is 510, then what is the average of the production on 19th and 20th December? First of all, let's write down. You are given average daily production of toys in a factory in the month of December is equal to 512. The average production in first 20 days. In first 20 days is 515. Last 13 days 510. Okay, so we all know how many days are there in the December, 31. And you know the formula for average also. Average is equal to sum of observations upon the number of observations. Sum of observations upon number of observations. Right. So, first of all, average daily production of toys in the factory was for the whole month of December was 512. So, total production in December month, this is equal to 31 into 512, that is equal to 15872. Right, this was given to us in the whole December month. The average was 512. There are 31 days in the month of December. So total production in the December month is 15872. Now average production in the first 20 days is given to be 515. So total production in first 20 days, this is equal to 20 into 515, which is equal to 10300. Last 13 days, total production in last 13 days is 13 into 510, which is equal to 6630. So this is the production for the whole December month. This is the production for the first 20 days of the month. This is the production for the last 13 days of the month. What in the question you have to find out? Average of the, you in the question you have to find out average of production on 19th and 20th December, right? So let's write down average of production on 19 and 20 December. This is equal to total production of first 20 days plus last 13 days. From this, I'll be subtracting the whole production of the month. Then I will get the production for the 90th and the 20th date. Okay. Minus total production of whole month this total divided by 2, because we have to find the average for the two dates, that's 19 and 20. So this is total divided by 2. Total production for the first 20 days was 10300, plus for the last 13 days was 6630. From this I'll subtract 15872. This whole is divided by 2. So you will have 16930 minus 15872 whole divided by 2. 1058 upon 2, which is equal to 529. So the required average is 529. Let's look at the options. Option C is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear with it. Then let's move to the next question. Question number 66. The sum of money was lent in two parts in the ratio of 4 is to 5 for 4 year and 5 year respectively. Both are having rate of interest as 8%, simple interest. If the difference between interest earned from the two parts is 4680, then what is the total sum lent in rupees? First of all, you are given that the money was lent in the ratio 4 is to 5. So, we are given ratio of sum of money is equal to 4 is to 5. For the first one, the time is 4 years, and for the second slot, the time is 5 years. In both the cases, rate is 8% only. Also, difference in interests in two cases. In interests in two cases is 4680 rupees. Okay. So, you know the formula for simple interest? Formula PRT upon 100. That's principal into rate into time upon 100. So let's start with the sum. First of all, let ratio of sum of money is equal to 4x and 5x respectively. Right? Now we are having two cases. This is the first and this is the second case. In this case, the principal is 4x. In this case, the principal is 5x. Time is 4 years in this case. In this case, the time is 5 years. Rate is same in both the cases, that is 8%. Interest P R T upon 100, which is equal to 128x upon 100. So in this case, this is first interest and this is second interest, that is 5x into 5 into 8 upon 100 is equal to, this will this will be 25 into 8, that's 200x upon 100. Actually, this is equal to 2x only. Okay, so I'll keep it as 200x upon 100 only. Why? Because we have the same denominators, it will be easy for us to do the calculations. Okay, now according to the question, the difference between the two interests is equal to 4680 rupees. Now, according to question, difference in both interests is equal to 4680, that is 200x upon 100 minus 128x upon 100 is equal to 4680. Subtracting them, you will get 72x upon 100 is equal to 4680. X is equal to 4680 multiplied by 100 divided by 72, which will give you a value of 6500 rupees. What in the question you had to find out? You got the value of our x. What is the total sum lent in rupees? The total sum was, see, we suppose the amount to be 4x and 5x. So total sum was 9x. Right? Total sum lent is equal to 4x plus 5x, which is equal to 9x. That is 9 into 6,500, which is equal to 58500 rupees. Let's check with the options. Option A is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. Let's move to the next question then. Question number 67. A shopkeeper bought a machine for 4600 and spent 500 rupees on its repairs and transport. He marked the machine at 8% above the overall cost price. If you sold the machine for this much after giving X% discount, then you have to find out the value of X. Okay. So, first of all, you are given cost price of the machine as 4600, money spent on repairs 500 rupees, and a marked price at 8% above. Marked price is 8% above overall. What was the overall cost price? It is equal to 5100. Why? You will add them. So overall cost price. Right. Also, you are given selling price of the machine is 4681.80 rupees. Right. So, you know the formula for the loss and the profit. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, and profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Let's move towards a solution. Right. First of all, the overall cost price of the machine is 5100 rupees. So what will be the marked price? It is 8% above that. That means it's 5100 plus 8% of 5100, right? This is equal to 5100 plus 8 upon 100 into 5100, which is 5100 plus 408. This gives you a total of 5508 rupees. Now the selling price, this is the marked price, right? So selling price is 4680, 4681.80 rupees. So this is the selling price, this is the marked price. Of course, you are having a loss over here, that is selling price minus marked price. 4681.80 minus 5508. See, this is loss. So actually, you will say it like marked price minus selling price. So this will be 5508 minus 4681.80. That is equal to rupees 826.20. Loss percent will be equal to 826.80 upon marked price, that's 5508 into 100, which will be equal to, like, you'll do the whole calculations and get the answer as 15%. So the value of X in this case, here is the value of X. X was what? It was your X% discount, right? So the value of X came out to be 15%. That is option A. Hope you're clear with this. Next, question number 68. It says in a circle with center O, AB, and CD are parallel chords on the opposite sides of the diameter. Let's make this circle first side by side. So here is the circle. In a circle with center O and A and B chords. So let's make two chords AB, CD. On the opposite sides of the diameter, so diameter of the circle. So this is, I'm assuming the diameter to be a straight central line. I've drawn two chords over here. If AB is equal to 12, centimeters and CD is equal to 18 centimeters. Distance between the two chords AB and CD is 15. So that means you are given this whole distance. The straight perpendicular distance, it's given to be 15. Then find the value of the radius of the circle. This is the radius of the circle, R. Here is R, here is R, and you have to find out the value of the R. This is your question. Okay, now you're first of all given AB is equal to 12 centimeters and CD is equal to 18 centimeters. Distance between AB and CD is 15. Distance between AB and CD is 15 centimeters. So let's move with the solution now. First of all, I'm assuming this is O, this is point, let it be M, this is N. Okay, so here's the solution. Let OM is equal to X, then what will be ON? It will be 15 minus X. Right? Why? Because this whole MN is equal to 15 centimeters. This is given to us in the question. Okay. Now I'll pick up the two triangles side by side. In triangle AMO, triangle OCN. In triangle AMO, AN square plus OM square is equal to OA square. Also, ON square plus CN square is equal to OC square. AM, see, you are given AB is equal to 12. Okay, now let's solve this thing also. You are given AB is equal to 12. Therefore, AM is equal to MB. First of all, this is why? Because perpendicular from the center of the circle bisects the chord. Perpendicular from the center. See, always this central line is perpendicular to over here. Perpendicular from the center of the circle bisects the chord. Now, why is this perpendicular? Because you already told that the distance between AB and CD is 15. That means OM is perpendicular on AB. And if OM is perpendicular on AB, that means it's dividing AB into equal parts. Similarly, CN is also equal to ND. Okay, so that means AM is half of AB. AB by 2 square plus OM, we assumed it to be X, OA is equal to R. AB was 12, right? 12 by 2 gives you 6. 6 square, that is equal to 36, right? I'm doing all the calculations. AB was 12. So 12 by 2 gives you 6 and 6 square is equal to 36. So 36 plus X square is equal to R square. Similarly, ON was 15 minus X square. CN is half of CD square. OC is R square. So 15 minus X square. What was CD equal to? CD was 18. So 18 divided by 2. CD was 18. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 square is 81 is equal to R square. Okay, so from these two equations, 1 and 2, from these two equations, 36 plus X square is equal to 15 minus X whole square plus 81. So let's open. You will have 36 plus X square is equal to 2. 15 square is 225 plus X square minus 30X plus 81. X square will cancel. You have 30X is equal to, this is equal to 225 plus 81 minus 36, which will be a total of 270. So from here, you will have x is equal to 9. You got the value of x, correct? Now, actually, what you have to find out in the equation, you have to find out the radius. So I'll pick up just one equation. I'll pick up this equation 1 to get the value of r. From 1, 36 plus x square is equal to r square. 36 plus 9 square is equal to r square. 9 square is 81. So this is equal to r square, which gives you 117. Root is equal to r. So this is equal to 9 into 13. 3 root 13 is equal to r. 3 root 13 is the value of the radius of the circle. And this is our answer. Option C is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. Let's move to the next question, 69. If sine A plus B is equal to 1 and cos A minus B is equal to root 3 by 2 and A plus B lies in the first quadrant and A is greater than B, then you have to find out the value of the given expression. This is a very easy sum. Why? Because you are actually given the values of the sine and the cosine things. Okay, so let's start with the sum. First of all, you are given sine A plus B is equal to 1. You know sine 90 degree is equal to 1. So this gives you sine A plus B is equal to sine 90 degree. From here you have A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Also you are given cos A minus B is this. Cos A minus B is root 3 by 2. And you know cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. So you have cos A minus B is equal to cos 30 degree. From here you get A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Now you have A plus B is equal to 90 and A minus B is equal to 30. From here you get 2A is equal to 120 or A is equal to 60 degree. If A is 60 degree, then you get B as 30 degree only. Okay, now you got the value of A and B. I think you are done with more than half of your question. Just need to fill in the value of A and B in the given expression. So let's write down the given expression first. It's 5 sine squared B plus 4 tan square A divided by 2 sine B to cos A. Now 5 sine squared B plus 4 tan square A whole divided by 2 sine B cos A. This gives you 5. Sine B, B was 30 degree, so sine square 30 degree plus 4 tan square 60 degree whole divided by 2 sine B is 30 degree cos 60 degree. So this gives you 5 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus 4 into root 3 square whole divided by sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 60 is equal to same as sine 30. This is again equal to 1 by 2. So you will cancel over here and you will have 5 by 4 plus 4 into root 3 square is 3. 4 threes are 12 whole divided by 1 by 2. So this is 5 plus 48 divided by 2. This whole divided by 1 by 2. This is equal to 53 divided by 4 into 2. So this is equal to 53 by 2, which is nothing but 26, 1 upon 2. So this is your required answer to the question. Let's check. Option D is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. Let's move to the next question, question number 70. So it is again a trigonometric question. In this question, you are given sine raised to power 6 theta plus cos raised to power 6 theta is equal to 1 by 3, and theta lies in the first quadrant. See, it's given that theta lies between 0 and 90 degrees. So that means theta lies in the first quadrant of the question. Okay. Then what is the value of sine theta into cos theta? Let's solve. First of all, you are given sine raised to power 6 theta plus cos raised to power 6 theta is equal to 1 by 3. What formula we'll use here? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Also, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So these two identities we'll use in our question. Okay, let's pick up the first one. So in the first one, you have, let's write down sine raised to power 6 theta plus cos raised to power 6 theta is equal to 1 by 3. So you have here sine square theta cube plus cos square theta cube is equal to 1 by 3. This is equal to, using this identity, a plus b into this. So using the same identity, you have this as sine square theta plus cos square theta whole multiplied by a square, that is sine raised to power 4, plus b square, that is cos raised to power 4, minus ab, that is sine square theta into cos square theta is equal to 1 by 3. You know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this will be equal to 1 into sine 4 theta raised to power 4 theta plus cos raised to power 4 theta minus sine square theta cos square theta is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so I'll leave it till here only. Now I'll move to the second identity that we just discussed. Now a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, right? So I'll say sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 into sine square theta cos square theta minus sine square theta cos square theta is equal to 1 by 3, right? Here I have taken a is equal to sine square theta and b is equal to cos square theta. Okay, because this was sine square square theta and this was equal to cos square ka square theta. Okay, so now using this one, you know this is equal to 1 sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1 square minus 3 sine square theta cos 2 cos square theta sorry 2 sine square theta cos square theta minus sine square theta cos square theta, which will be minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta is equal to 1 by 3. Right, I hope you're clear till here. Now this will be 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 sine square theta cos square theta. 1 minus 1 by 3 gives you 2 by 3 is equal to 3 sine square theta cos square theta. This will be 2 upon 9 is equal to sine square theta cos square theta. Square root on both the sides will give you root 2 upon 9 is equal to sine theta cos theta, which is equal to 2 by 3 root 3 2 by 3 is equal to sine theta cos theta. This is your answer. Let's check with the options. Option A is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear with this. Let's move to the next question, number 71. So you are given a cube minus b cube is equal to 2, 3, 4, 9. and a minus b is equal to 9, then you have to find out the value of the given expression. Right? Let's start with the question. In this question, you are given a cube minus b cube is equal to 2349. Also, a minus b is equal to 9. You have to find out this thing. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so I'll fill in the values just. So you have here 2349 is equal to 9 into a square plus ab plus b square. Alright, you will divide them 2349 upon 9, which is equal to 261. This is equal to a square plus ab plus b square. Correct. You got this value. Now let's solve this thing. What do you have to find out? You had to find out a plus b whole square minus ab. If you open this, you get a square plus b square plus 2ab minus ab, which on solving will give you a square plus b square plus ab. And we just solved this thing. A square plus b square plus ab, this is equal to 261. This is your answer to the question. See, option C is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. Then let's move to the next question. Question number 72. If a number p is divisible by 2 and another number q is divisible by 3, then which of the following is true? P plus q is divisible by 6, p plus q is divisible by 5, p multiplied by q is divisible by 6, or p multiplied by q is divisible by 5. See, first of all, you are given that p is a number which is divisible by 2 and q is a number which is divisible by 3. What is the divisibility test of 2? First, the only thing it is, the number should be an even number. And the divisibility test of 3 says sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So let just put something, let p be a number which is an even number, any number. I am putting p is equal to 4. And similarly, you can put q as any number which is divisible by 3. It can be any number. So I'm taking this as 3 itself. Okay. Now, p multiplied by q, that is equal to 4 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 12. See, the divisibility test, like this number p multiplied by q, this is divisible by 2 as well as this is divisible by 3, which is actually the divisibility test of 6. This is divisibility test of 6 itself. So that means only the option, sorry, not this D, this option C is correct. P multiplied by Q is divisible by 6. This is correct. If P is divisible by 2 and Q is divisible by 3, then the product of the two will be divisible by both 2 and 3. And this is the divisibility test of 6. So option C, P multiplied by Q is divisible by 6 is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear with this. Next, question number 73. So you have to study the table and answer the question. The table shows the daily income of 50 people. This is the daily income of the 50 people, like less than 200 is the income of 12 people, less than 250 is the income of 26 people, less than 334 people earn this much, so on. Okay. Now the question in this question actually which is missing, it should be, it is how many people earn rupees 250 or more but less than rupees 350 daily. This is the question over here. Okay. Now let's see. The number of people the people who earn 250 or more but less than 350 daily. First of all, for this, I'll write down number of people with income less than 250. That is 26, right? Number of people with income less than 350. This is equal to 40. Right. Now, according to the question, we need the people who earn 250 or more but less than 350 daily. So, according to question, people who earn rupees 250 or more but less than 350 rupees daily is 40 minus 26, which is equal to 14. So this 14 is the correct answer to our question. Number of people who earn more than 250 but less than 350 daily is 14. Option D is correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear. Let's move to the next question. 74. So this is a trigonometric question over here. In this question, you have to find out the value of secant theta plus tan theta whole square plus this given expression, where theta, okay, this is extra, where theta lies in the first quadrant. See, okay, theta lies in the first quadrant, that is between 0 and 90 degrees. So here is the value of like theta lies in the first quadrant itself. Let's write down secant theta plus tangent theta whole square plus 1 plus cosec theta upon 1 minus cosec theta. So secant theta is 1 upon cos theta plus tangent is sine theta upon cos theta square plus 1 plus cosec theta upon 1 minus cosec theta. So I'll take the LCM as cos theta over here, 1 plus sine theta whole square. I'll put a square plus 1 plus cosec theta 1 minus cosec theta. So this is 1 plus sine theta whole square. You know, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, I can write down cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta plus 1 plus cosec theta upon 1 minus cosec theta. So now 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta upon, this is a square minus b square. So this becomes 1 plus sine theta up into 1 minus sine theta plus 1 plus cosec theta upon 1 minus cosec theta. Here sine theta, sine, like 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta will cut and you have 1 plus sine theta upon 1 minus sine theta. Now I will change this cosec into sine. This will be 1 upon sine theta upon 1 minus 1 upon sine theta. So now you will have 1 plus sine theta upon 1 minus sine theta plus sine theta plus 1 upon, this whole is divided by sine theta minus 1, this whole is divided by sine theta. They will cancel. Okay, these two will cancel with each other and you have 1 plus sine theta upon 1 minus sine theta plus 1 plus sine theta upon sine theta minus 1. To change the sign of this denominator, I will do 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta minus 1 plus sine theta upon 1 minus sine theta. They are the same numbers, they will cancel each other and you will have 0 as your answer. So let's check. Option B is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear. Let's move to the last mathematics question for this paper. The following table shows the daily seats occupancy in different classes of a train. Number of bracket represent the total seats available for a particular class. So, second class non-AC to 900 tickets are available Monday. 850 seats were occupied, Tuesday 4, 840, Wednesday 830, and so on. So, this is the data. Okay, I hope you're clear about the data. Right. Now, what the question is, what is the ratio of number of seats that remain vacant in all non-AC classes on Wednesday and Thursday, taken together to the number of seats remained vacant in AC classes on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday? Okay, these are the given ratios. Let's check with the answer. Let's start with the solution now. Vacant seat, first of all, vacant seats in all non-AC on Wednesday. It is on Wednesday, it is like there are two 800, like total seats were 900. On Wednesday, we are talking. So 900 minus 830 plus 500 minus 390, which is equal to 70 plus 110. That is equal to 180. Right. Now, number of total non-AC seats vacant. Vacant non-AC seats on Thursday. On Thursday, it's 900 minus 790 plus 500 minus 480. This is equal to 110 plus this is equal to 20, which gives you a total of 130. So that means total non-AC seats which are vacant on Wednesday and Thursday is equal to 180 plus 130, which is equal to 310. We are done with this part and we got it as 310. So the number of vacant seats on Wednesday and Thursday with the non-AC classes is 310. Now the next part. Number of seats remained vacant in AC classes on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Let's solve this thing. Vacant seats in AC on Monday. See, on Monday in AC, the vacant seats are 500. This 500 minus 480 plus 250 minus 240 plus 150 minus 145. This is equal to 20 plus 10 plus 5, which is equal to 35. Similarly, vacant seats in AC on Tuesday. On Tuesday, it is 500 minus 400, 450 plus 250 minus 230. See, 250 minus 230, 150 minus 120, which gives you 50 plus 20 plus 30, that is a total of 100. Then vacant seats in AC on Friday. On Friday, the vacant seats were in AC. See, there was no vacant seats for third class AC. And this is 250 minus 210. This will be 500 minus 500 plus 250 minus 210 plus 150 minus 130, which is 0 plus 40 plus 20, which is equal to a 60. Right. Let's add them now. So 35 plus 100 plus 60. Total vacant AC seats on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday is 35 plus 100 plus 60, that is equal to 195. You have to find out which ratio. You have to find out the ratio of the two, like 310 and 195. So, required ratio is 310 is to 195, that is equal to 62 upon 39. So the required ratio is 62 is to 39. Let's check with the options. Option C is the correct answer to our question. Hope you are clear with this. So this completes our all the mathematical questions. Get ready for the English section now. Question number 76. Select the option that expresses the given sentence in indirect speech. Raj said to his friend, comma, inverted commas begin, please help me in this task. This given sentence is in direct speech. You have to convert this into indirect speech. The given sentence is Raj said to his friend, comma, inverted commas begin, please help me in this task. So first of all, basic rules are the commas and inverted commas will be removed. Here it's saying please, which means a request is being made. So therefore, the reporting verb requested will be used instead of please, and it will become Raj requested. Right? So now Raj said to his friend will be Raj requested his friend. Okay, said will be changed to requested. So it will be Raj requested his friend to help him. This will be changed to that in that task. Right? So option A is the correct answer. Raj requested his friend to help him in that task is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear. Let's move to the next question. Question number 77. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. The blank is she knew that to apologize would be dash to admitting she had failed. Options are tantamount, tandem, tantalizing, or tangible. Let's see the meaning of all these words one by one. First one is tantamount, which means having the same effect as something bad. Next one is tandem. It means having two things arranged one in front of the other. Next one is tantalizing, which means making you want something, making you want something that you can't have, like tempting. Tangible means that can be clearly seen, that can be clearly seen to exist, right? Which is actually there, which is very clear, crisp, clear, and everything. So the word which suits the blank, she knew that to apologize will be tantamount to admitting she had failed. Option A is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear. Next, question number 78. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. It was difficult to dash to watch the horror movie. Options are consult, dissuade, persuade, confer. See, let's go with the meaning of all the words one by one. The very first one is consult, which means to discuss something with someone. Something with someone. Next one is dissuade, means to persuade someone not to do something. Persuade means to make somebody do something. Somebody do something by giving him good reasons. Then you have confer means to discuss something with someone, something with someone before making a decision, before making a decision. So the correct option to fill in the blank, it was difficult to dash Gopal to watch a movie. Option C, persuade. It was difficult to persuade, that is to convince him to watch a horror movie. It's difficult. Option C is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear. Next question number 79. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. If no substitution is required, then you can write select no substitution. Let's read the sentence. 50 liters of milk are donated by the committee to the orphanage every week. What do you think? What is incorrect in the sentence? Or is there anything incorrect in the sentence? Well, the underlined segment of the sentence contains are. This R is used for milk. Milk is a non countable noun. It is a non countable noun like water, snow, or rice. So, with these ones, we always use a singular form of verb. Are is not allowed. Here it should have used is, and the correct sentence will be 50 liters of milk is donated by the committee to the orphanage every week. So, which one contains an error? Are donated by the committee, it should be is donated by the committee. This one is should be the correct one in the given sentence, right? Option D. Hope you are clear. Next, question number 80. Select the option that can be used as one word substitute for the given group of words. And the given group of words are an imaginary ideal society free of poverty and suffering. Options are dreamland, heaven, paradise, or utopia. Let's see meaning of all the words one by one. Dreamland, it's an imagined, an unrealistic idea of world. Heaven means the place where we believe God to exist, where we believe God lives, or place where people go after death. Next is paradise means the perfect place where some people think, where some people think that good people go after death. Then you have the utopia, which means an imaginary ideal society. Free of poverty and suffering. So, what do you think? Which of these words satisfy the given set of words? An imaginary ideal society free of poverty and living is, of course, option D, utopia. Hope you are clear with this. Then let's move to the next question. Question number 81. The following sentence has been split in 4 segments. Identify the segment that contains a grammatical error. The weather is much more warmer than it was a few days before. Which part contains an error? Than it was a few days before is much the weather or more warmer. If you look at this sentence, you have a double comparison in this question, which is that it is more and warmer. The double comparatives which are used in this sentence is absolutely incorrect. Than represents that a comparison is being made in the sentence. Here we are using the word warmer, which is already comparing that the weather is warmer than a particular period of time. So the use of more is absolutely not required over here. So in this sentence, this sentence should have been the weather is much warmer than it was a few days before. So option D, more warmer, contains an error as to the word more should not be included. Hope you are clear with this. Next is question number 82. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. And it is fair and square. Options are calm and quiet, beautiful in appearance, by any means available according to the rules. Option D. So the given idiom fair and square, the meaning of this is according to the rules. For example, the supporters of the other team were angry, but we won the game fair and square. So I hope you are clear with the meaning of the word, which is option according to the rules, option D. Let's move to the next question, number 83. Select the option that will improve the underlined part of the given sentence. In case no improvement is needed, you can select no improvement required. And the sentence is, he fell over in studies owing to his illness. Options are fell behind, fell over, no improvement is required, or fell out. So in this sentence, the underlined segment of the this is fell over. This is incorrect. It's talking about a student who failed to keep up with his studies due to illness. So in this one, it should be he fell behind in studies owing to his illness. Right? So fell over means that losing one's balance or collapse. If I'm saying it's losing, he's falling down or something. Whereas the fell behind means to fail to do something fast enough or on time. So this sentence should have he fell behind in studies owing to his illness. Option A is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear. Next is question number 84. Select the most appropriate antonym, that is the opposite word of the given word, and it is hassled. Options are annoyed, worried, relaxed, or stressed. Let's see the meaning of all the words one by one. Hassled means to annoy someone by asking him to do something a number of times. Then the word means annoyed means feeling angry or disappointed. Worried means uh, thinking that something bad will happen, thinking something bad might happen. Relaxed means not worried. And stressed means experiencing mental strain. So now you have to find out the antonym of the given word hassled. The antonym is relaxed. Hassled means by like annoying somebody by asking him to do something a repeated of times. Annoyed is not the antonym of the word. Hassle, worried, stressed, they mean all the same. Whereas relaxed means when you are just relaxed, free of all the worries, all the anxieties. So option C, relaxed, is the correct answer to the question. Hope you are clear. Next question number 85. Select the most appropriate synonym, that is the same meaning word of the word calm. Options are cranky, relaxed, joyful, and clean. So see, let's see the meaning of the words. Calm means, of course, it means when you are very stable, not worried, quiet, not worried, quiet type. S- Then cranky means bad, tempered, relaxed means not worried, joyful, very happy, clean means no offensive record, right? So the most appropriate synonym for the given word calm is same meaning word, that is relaxed. Option C, when you are not worried over, and option B, when you're not worried upon and over anything. Hope you're clear with this. Let's move to the next question then. Question number 86. Select the incorrectly spelled word. And the word is all read. Let's read all the words. First word is sentimentally, substantially, subsequently, solicitation. If you look at all these words, what do you think is the incorrectly spelled word? Yes. Subsequently, these spellings are absolutely incorrect. What is the correct spellings of it? It is Subsequently. These are the spellings of subsequently. Let's see the meaning of all these words. First of all, sentimentally means in a way that is influenced, in a way that is influenced by emotional feelings. This is absolutely correct. Sentimentally spellings are absolutely correct. Substantially means very much, greatly. Spellings are again correct in this case. Then subsequently, the spellings were wrong in this case. So the word subsequently spellings it are this one, which means after a particular thing has happened. Next is solicitation, which means act of asking for, to obtain something from someone, from someone. Right. So option C, subsequently, is the incorrectly spelled word in our question and our answer to the question. Next is question number 87. Select the option that expresses the given sentence in active voice. I'm paid weekly by my organization. So this given sentence is in passive voice and you have to change this in active voice, right? So first of all, we will convert here the I of the passive will become this I is the actually object. See, in active and passive, subject and object, they always interchange their positions, right? So this I will come at the last and it will be like me or my. Okay, here it is. I am paid weekly by my organization. So it will be, this is am paid. So this is second form of verb. Actually, this will transform into my organization, will become the subject now because this is the object in the passive voice. So it will be my organization. Now, am paid will become pays, first form of verb plus S. So my organization pays me. I will be transformed into me weekly. So in the active voice, this sentence will be my organization pays me weekly is the correct answer to the question, and it is option D. Hope you are clear. Next, question number 88. Select the most appropriate synonym of the word poignant. Options are quiet, beautiful, touching, and happy. Let's see the meaning of the words. So, this word means something that touches you emotionally, touches you emotionally deeply. Then quiet means with very little or with no noise. Beautiful. I don't think I need to make you understand this word. It means pretty. Touching means arousing feelings of sympathy, like happy, cheerful, pleased. So you have to find out the synonym of the given word, poignant, and it is option C, touching. Hope you are clear. Next question number 89. Select the incorrectly spelled word of these: approval, censure, criticism, or helicopter. Helicopter, the spellings of the helicopter in this sentence is incorrectly spelled. It should be Helicopter. These are the correct spellings of the helicopter. And you know what a helicopter is? It's a small aircraft that goes straight up into the air. Approval means like agreement over something. Censure means to tell someone in strong way that he has done something wrong. Criticism, an expression when you're telling something bad about someone, telling something bad about someone. So, helicopter is the incorrectly spelled word in this question. Hope you are clear. Let's move to the next question, number 90. So here is this is an example of para-jumbled sentences. So sentences of the paragraph are given in a jumbled order. You have to arrange the sentences in the right order to form a meaningful and the coherent paragraph. A, when it was time to divide the spoils, the loin took one portion for his title as the king of the forest. B, he took another portion because he was a partner, and yet another because he was strongest. C, he took the last portion because an accident would befall anyone who laid a paw on it. D, once a loin went hunting with three other beasts. So, what is the correct sequence of the whole sentence to make it a paragraph? Looking at this one, the sentence D, if I'm reading down, it starts with once. This is independent of any other sentence in all. Like if I'm reading all the sentences, this is independent of all the other sentences. It's talking about a loin and other animals who went on hunting. Right. So this D is the first sentence of the given paragraph. Once a loin went hunting with three other beasts. Then it is option A. When it was time to divide the spoils, Eloin took one portion for his title as a king of the forest. Sentence A will come after D, as it is giving information about what the loin said while taking one portion of the food or the spoils. So here will be option A as the next one. Then option B, he took another portion because he was a partner, and yet another because he was the strongest. This part will come after this because it is giving information about what the loin said while taking the other two portions of the food or the spoils. Then, of course, we have the last one as C. This will come as a concluding part because it explains what the loin said while taking the last portion of the food of the spoils. So he took the last portion because an accident would befall anyone who laid a paw on it. So the correct sequence is D, A, B, C. Let's read the whole paragraph now. It says, once a loin went hunting with three other beasts. When it was time to divide the spoils, the loin took one portion for his title as the king of the forest. He took another portion because he was a partner, and yet another because he was the strongest. He took the last portion because an accident would befall anyone who laid upon it. So it is D, A, B, C, option B as the correct sequence of the sentences to make a whole this paragraph. Right. Hope you're clear with this. Let's move to the next question number 91. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word fallacy. Options are cheat, flaw, trick, or truth. Let's see the meaning of all the words. Fallacy means a false belief or a wrong idea. False belief or a wrong idea. Cheat means to trick someone, especially when that person trusts you. Flaw means a mistake in something that makes it not good enough. That makes it not good enough. Trick means something you do to make somebody believe, something you do to make someone believe that it's not a joke or something, that something is not true. Truth, you means it's the state of being true. So the antonym of the given word fallacy, that is a false belief or a wrong idea, is truth, when you are true about something. Option D is the correct answer to the question. Hope you're clear. Next is question number 92. Select sentences of the paragraph are given below in the jumbled order. Arrange the sentences in the right order to form the meaningful and coherent paragraph. Let's read all of them. The festival is named after the Indian Hornbill. B. The Hornbill Festival is the most anticipated cultural carnival of the state. C. Located in Northeast India, Nagaland is a very beautiful and ethnically diverse state. D. The Hornbill is often displayed on the traditional tribal headgears worn during Naga festivities. So this given sentence is clearly a parajumbled sentence. So what will come first? First of all, you will have the option. This option, the very first one will be C. Located in the Northeast India, Nagaland is a very beautiful and an ethically diverse state. Why is it so? Because it's giving you information about the very, like, first time it's giving you information about the state, that is Nagaland. So C will be the first sentence of the given paragraph, which will be followed by B. B says the Hornbill Festival is the most anticipated cultural carnival of this state. So this is talking about the most anticipated cultural festival of Nagaland. So B will come there, and then will be A. The festival is named after the Indian Hornbill, because it's giving information about how the festival is getting got its name actually. Then lastly, the D is left. It will come as a concluding part because it is giving information about how and where Hornbill is displayed. Right. So, D part, the hornbill is often displayed on the traditional tribal headgears worn during Naga festivities. Now, let's read the whole paragraph in this sequence. It says, located in Northeast India, Nagaland is a very beautiful and ethically diverse state. The Hornbill Festival is the most anticipated cultural carnival of the state. The festival is named after the Indian Hornbill. The hornbill is often displayed on the traditional tribal headgears worn during Naga festivities. So, option D is the correct answer to the question. Hope you're clear. Let's move to the next question, number 93. Select the option that can be used as one word substitute for the given group of words. A dynamic campaign for political, social, and religious change. Options are conflict, war, mutiny, or crusade, which is the correct answer to the given question. Let's see the meaning of all the words one by one. Conflict means a fight or an argument over something. War means a state of fighting, a state of, you can say, very serious fight, very serious and large scale fight, maybe between two countries or two communities or something, right? Then mutiny, it's an act of a group of people, act of a group of people refusing to obey the person, refusing to obey. Then crusade means a vigorous campaign for political, social, or religious change. So, the correct answer for the given set of words, a dynamic campaign for political, social, and religious changes, crusade as option D is the answer to our question. Hope you are clear. Next is question number 94. The following sentence has been split into four segments. Identify the segment that contains a grammatical error. Let's read the sentence. The visitors complained at the poor accommodation they were provided during the tour. This given sentence seems incorrect at this preposition. This one. The preposition at is used for expressing location or arrival in a particular place on a position. The use of the word complained in the sentence indicates to say that someone is not satisfied uh, with or being happy about something. So this here it should have been about. At should have been replaced with about and it should be introduced. So the sentence should be the visitors complained about the pure accommodation they were provided during the war. So it should be option A is the part of the sentence which contains the error. Right? Hope you are clear with this. Let's move to the next question. 95. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom sit on the fence. Options are poke fun at people, protect something, create conflicts, avoid making a decision. Let's see the meaning of the this idiom sit on the fence. The idiom sit on the fence means to delay or avoid making a decision. Let's see the sentence to have a clear understanding. You can't sit on the fence any longer. You need to make up your mind. You need to make up your mind. So, option D, avoid making a decision, is the correct answer to sit on the fence. Hope you are clear with this. Let's move to the next question. Question number 96. So here is a para which is shown to you. You have to answer 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. These five blanks are given over here. See, this is blank 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the five blanks, and you have to answer the five blanks too. And the options are given to you. Okay. Let's read the whole paragraph. It says the first human beings to control fire gradually learned dash many uses. So let's read the options. The first human beings to control fire gradually learned its many uses, his very many uses, your many uses, or their many uses. If you read them, of course, you can clearly say his, your, and their are it's absolutely incorrect. The pronoun it should be used because in the sentence the pronoun refers to fire. We are talking about the fire in this question. So the very correct one is pronoun to be used in this section is its. It means like belonging to belonging to something. So this will be this book is better. This book is better than its cover would suggest. Right? So you are clear about the use of the preposition, pronoun its. So here its will be used in the first blank and it will be like this. The first human beings to control the fire gradually learned its many uses. Option A is the correct answer to the question. Next, question number 97. You have to fill in the second blank. Let's read. Not only did they dash fire to keep warm and cook their food, so not only they use, they ready, they used, they prepare. What do you think will come? Yes, of course, it will be. Not only did they use, you will not use, you will not make used over here. Why? Because this is the second form of the verb. And we are having a did over here. Did, with did, we only use the first form of the verb. So we will use in this section, the second one, not only did they use fire to keep warm and cook their food. Okay, ready fire, prepare fire, used fire, they are incorrect. Option A, use, is the correct one. Next is question number 98. You have to fill in the third blank now. So they dash learn to use it in hunting or warfare. They instead learned it to use in hunting or warfare. They also learned to use in hunting or warfare. Well, or alternative. What do you think will come over here? Let's read. So it will be they also learned to use it in hunting or warfare. The given sentence, not only did they use to for keep and warm and cook their food, they also learned to use it in hunting or warfare to kill insects. This talks about use of fire other than cooking. Therefore, the most appropriate word to be filled over here is also, because we use also when we want to say something in addition to, right? So option B also will be filled in this part of the third blank of the question. I hope you are clear. Next is question number 99. So you have to fill in the fourth blank. It says to kill insects, to dash berries, and to clear forests and underbush. So to clear insects, to attain berries, to acquire berries, to safeguard berries, or to obtain berries. What do you think? So this given sentence, not only did they use fire to keep warm and cook their food, they also learn to use it in hunting or warfare, or to kill insects, to dash berries. This talks about the use of fire in protection of the berries. Of course, we are talking about the safeguarding of the berries. Protection means safeguarding, right? The word safeguard means to protect from harm or damage in an appropriate measure. So it will be option C. So it will be like, not only did they use fire to keep warm and cook their food, they also learn to use it in hunting or fire to kill insects, to safeguard, that is to protect the berries, and to clear the forest underbush, so that the game. So now for the blank fifth, let's move to the last question. So that the game must be better seen and ended, shall be better seen and ended, hunted, sorry, could be better seen and hunted, or will be better seen and hunted. What will come over here? See the given sentence. It says, not only, from here, not only did they use fire to keep warm and cook their food, they also learned to use it in hunting and warfare to kill insects and to safeguard the berries and to clear the forests of underbrush, so that the game could be, here will be could, option C. They could will be used in this place, so that because it gives a clear vision of the wild animals of the world being hunted for the sport of the food, right? So now let's read the whole paragraph with all the options again. The first human being to control fire gradually learned its many uses. Not only did they use fire to keep warm and cook their food, they also learn to use it in hunting or warfare to kill the insects and safeguard the berries, and to clear the forests of underbrush, so that the game could be better seen and hunted. Eventually, they learned that the burning of brush produced better grasslands and therefore more game. So, this was all for your SSC CGL Tier 1 Okay, here is option C as your answer, first of all. So that's all for your SSC CGL Tier-1 18 August 2021 Shift 3 paper. Hope you understood this well. Students, to explore many such questions and to practice them, please visit our website www.examsnet.com. Also, you can download our app. The link is given in the description box. So, very best of luck for your exams. Keep learning, keep scoring high. Good luck. Bye.